Welcome, Wolfpack. How's everybody doing this morning? Let's get all this set up here for you guys. Feeling a lot better today. Wow. Okay. Good morning, Jonathan. Jay, good morning. Citizen, Alfred, Josh, Robert. Good morning, my friends. Good morning. Okay. Good news, Cam. Thanks, brother. Yeah, yeah, man, I hate headaches, but like, it's probably some of the worst headaches I've ever had. The last two that I got, they suck. J22, Mac 22. That's awesome. Right on, cool. So let's do this today, guys. I had a couple day recovery time there, so I seen it went up pretty good yesterday for you guys. I was watching the market on and off. Excuse me. Oh yeah, man. Yeah, Jason, I'm doing way better. It's with a migraine headache. It's really hard to run all these screens and stuff, and with all these flashing lights and stuff. Like it's just, and it's not like you guys know what you're doing or anything, right? You guys got this covered, right? Even without me, I'm very, very confident in you guys, right? That you can figure this out. Even if it goes into a squeeze, I've watched actually. I watched your guys' chats. I just dropped in there probably about halfway through the day before I erased the stream key. And I was reading your guys' questions and stuff like that. You guys stayed on for like almost an hour there, 45 minutes there. A bunch of you just talking and stuff. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, man. That made me feel pretty good about obviously not about the migraine, but just in general. And the questions that you guys were talking about, and you were solving problems and just working things out, and it was pretty cool to see. It was pretty cool, guys. So yeah, let's we got a couple of minutes here. I'm just gonna get everything set up here as I always do. I'm a little bit off my game a little bit this morning here, so let's just bear with me. A couple minutes here. I'm just gonna get everything set up. I just haven't been sleeping the best in the last couple days. But that's only sleep, right? There's nothing. Just bear with me. It's only sleep. So anyways, let's get our wolf sounds set up here and stuff. But that's only sleep, right? I'm just gonna turn this light off, guys, a little bit here. It's pretty bright. My eyes are still a little sensitive. Let's get our wolf sounds set up here and stuff. But yeah, a little bit. Way better though. Way better. Okay. My eyes are still a little sensitive. Yeah, a little bit. Way better though. Way better. So anything interesting happened the last day? It's Friday already, right? Another week done. What are you guys' plans for the weekend? Do you have any plans at all? So anything interesting happened the last day? It's Friday already, right? Another week done. What are you guys' plans for the weekend? Sunglasses on that white screen's bright. Holy crow! Holy crow! I feel like a little baby today. Another week done. What do you guys' plans for the weekend? Sunglasses on. It's just that welders, if you guys had done any welding or anything like that, welders have very sensitive eyes to begin with. Right, they're always looking through filters, which is a filter is way of it's a glass or plastic that actually is very sensitive. When you look at the sun, you can actually stare right at the sun with it. It filters out all the bad rays and stuff like that, and the cancerous materials and stuff like that. So your eyes get used to this dark all the time. I haven't welded like for years and years. It's just that the bad rays and stuff like that. When you do it for 20 some odd years plus, it just every day you just get used to it, right? Dark all the time. So here and there. Anyways, whoops. Sorry, I started that a little bit. When you do it for 20 some odd years, I think I caught that in time, but if not, then and I'm just gonna. Anyways, you got an echo? Sorry, I started that. Oh no! When you do it for 20 some odd years, I think I caught that in time, but if not, then and I'm just gonna. Anyways, are you kidding me? Sorry, I started that. Oh no! I think I caught that in time, but if not, then bad echo. Thanks, Joshua. Are you kidding me? Is the echo? Because I was on that page there, that one page, it just does it every time. I gotta move the echo sound. I gotta move our wolf sound. Because I was on that page there, to another place on that page. I gotta move the echo sound. So I gotta move what it is. I gotta move. How is it now? Is it better for you guys? It should be better by now. It's just when I go to that one page, right? I don't know why it does that. It's weird. Reverb feedback. Reverb. All good, yeah. See, it's weird. It's weird, guys. Good morning there, my friend. It's Friday, payday, AMC. Yeah. Let's do this. No, Sanjay's getting a little crazy with the wolves, man. That's called, like, upwolfing. That's upwolfing somebody, man. And if I'm coughing lots today, I quit vaping, by the way. 2 days now. 2 days now. So, it just took me a while. I had to be in the right frame of mind, right? Okay, so, I do want to have a look at the numbers yesterday, or look at some stuff from yesterday, because, okay, got a couple minutes, 3 minutes, 30 minutes. Good on you, Cam. Thanks, brother. Thanks there, T. And smoking some ribs. Oh, Jason. Oh, wow. I had ribs last night. Yeah, I know they will thank me. It's my throat's sore. I think from that, right? It just caught up with me. And it is what it is, right? So it was getting really bad. The last month's been like crazy with coughing and stuff. It's just not good. So anyways, yeah. So we'll see how it goes. It's just I've been fighting with this addiction with tobacco for like my whole life, right? I'm one of those guys that has quit like probably I think I've quit over probably 600-700 times. But we'll see. I'm a little bit older now, and I think I understand temptations a little bit more, and that kind of stuff. But it is what it is. Well, I'm gonna try it from a different approach here, right? So, anyways, enough about that. So if I'm talking a little bit quieter today, it's just because my throat is hurting and stuff. So just remind me to speak up, right? And if it's not, then kick back and enjoy, man. So yeah, let's have a look here. I wanted to have a look at some stocks here before market opens. Here we got 1 minute. Give me a second here, guys. I'm just waiting for the market to open here, so I don't miss this. Of course, it's the longest minute ever. Of course, it's the longest market, the longest ever. Excuse me. You might hear reverb on that one a little bit. I had it up to like 35. The dogs probably friggin' are on the roof in the other room. I didn't realize it was that loud until I did that. Just a friendly reminder about your refund. Just give me a second, my friend. It's a long weekend then, this morning? Yeah, I see. when you can't spell, eh? Damn it. Freaking. Sorry guys, I just have something very important to deal with right now, and then we'll jump in. Sorry about the disrespect a little bit here, but it's just one of those things that I couldn't wait. Oh, there we go. Okay, so your body will thank you. A quiet turkey when they're young, never forget. Yeah, Ed, we just had turkey the other day. I couldn't believe it, man. At the superstore, I don't know if you guys have superstores. It's like in the States there, it's kind of like Sam's Club, kind of like, you know what I mean, sort of, kind of, in a way. It's like wholesale stuff. Anyways, $18.99 for a frigging huge turkey, man. And yeah, we made cooked 3 meals, had friends over, and the wife made homemade chicken or turkey soup. So wow, and still some frozen. So crazy. It was, I couldn't believe how much there was there. So anyways, I'm just gonna go through your stuff. Be weird with you not stuck in the iron, that thing. You think stopping Michael, I'm pretty sure that's what it was, majority of it, my friend. You nailed it. There's a whole bunch of things I was noticing affecting me with that. My voice it changes because the coils that I'm using, when they get bad, they're totally toxic. You can just taste it. What you're doing is smoking oil. Oil's carcinogenic, right? So it is what it is, right? Sorry, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna blast her. Yeah, I'm the one who bum smokes after I quit many times and just pissed off. Yeah, citizen. Yeah, I'm that guy too, man. I'm the asshole too that used to do that, and then I'd start smoking again. So I'm not even attempt. Good morning, D. So guys, yeah. Good morning, Mr. L. Good morning, JP. Proud. Good morning, Sanjay, citizen, Josh. I already said Michael. If I missed you, good morning, Kim. Sorry about that if I missed you, my friends. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, CEI. We already have it here. What the hell is that? What am I doing here? I mean, we don't. We did. Are you in on this, JP? Oh, it's back pumping at 30 again. This thing took a torque downwards. It was getting hammered on the other day. It just locked and reloaded, and it's going again. Let's have a look here. We're gonna put this on the 30-minute here. We're just gonna have a look. So yeah, look at that. This what crashed. Well, that's pretty much a crash from 322 to 87 cents, roughly. That's pretty bad, but it just locked and loaded. It locked in and loaded and fucking went again. So that's rare. That's actually pretty rare to see that. It's done it multiple times. So somebody's obviously, yeah, it's done it here too. Somebody's playing with the market there. They know the days they're going to pump it because it has such low volume. Like there's nothing in this. Well, I shouldn't say there's nothing in this. There's 200 million, right? But between a bunch of people, since it's already, the shares out are already 250 mil cap there. Yeah, it doesn't take much to push this. So yeah, some people are definitely they're managing this between probably a group of people, right? And then all of a sudden the day traders jump on and it even gives it more of a kick. But very good one, JP. If you're in on this, yeah, It's just there's this company it's an LP company. I've already looked into it. I did my research on it. It's nothing special. They hold liquid propane. They have storage facilities. There's nothing, and it's just a typical energy company, right? There's nothing. They haven't come out with this. They don't have like a new process that's making them all this money and stuff like that. It's strictly just people buying and just messing with the stock here, right? And they're making pretty good money. So this is essentially, excuse me, that COVID pill. This is what it was like. It started like 87 cents, and then it would go up to like $3-4, and then I cash out at the end of the day, and then it would the next day it would crash or do its thing, right? And then it would just rip, and then it would go crash, rip. And yeah, I just strictly went off the volume, guys. So I just judged the volume in the morning. Sometimes I bought in high, like it was already up like 10, 15, 20%, and it goes against most of the rules I had, but I was on a mission there. This stock, I knew how it would run, right? I could I watched it for 2 weeks, and I predicted pretty much. I could see the down days that nobody put in, and they just let it go down. Because you got, and then when it went down to about $80, they'd throw some money in it, and then they take it back up to like $2 and up to like $4 depends, right? So, fuck, sorry guys. So yeah, Columbus Day, okay. Look, I stick to THC. That's funny. That's so funny, Mr. Al. My wife ate some edibles last night, and she was just so messed up, man. She was so funny. We were watching some shows on TV, and I started asking her questions. Well, what happened? She's watching the show for like an hour. She goes, I don't know. I'm so ripped here. I don't know what's up. Well, what's the point in watching? She goes, I'm having fun. Oh man, it reminds me of the days when I used to. But what we do is, she just buys the capsules it's from Sundial, right? It's through the BC government, or the Canadian government, obviously, but the BC branch, our province. But it's from Sundial, right? It's their high-end product, right? Their oils. So what she does is goes to the dollar store of all places, and goes and buys caramel, big bags of caramel, and infuses it. Holy crap, man! It's good. It's good. I tried a little piece of it. My mother of all people do it. Good morning, Manjeet. Good morning, Angel. Johnny, what's up? What's up? Let's do this, guys. We're all sitting here. We're waiting. We're all sitting here waiting. Okay, let's back on the minute here. What are we on the right stock? Yeah, we're on the right stock. The hell? What do we got going on here now? Okay. Cam, I'm hurt. You feel better today? Oh, thanks, girl. I do, and yeah, oh man, this little stiff from laying in bed mostly, but yeah, my arm's starting to bother me again. This tendonitis in my arm. I should put my brace on actually. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say something. You know when you like a job, like, I don't know. There's been a couple jobs that I actually liked. Like, I hated missing work and stuff. And you get sick, you call in, or you go home halfway through the day or something like that, and then you feel bad. Like, you know what I mean? You feel bad missing it. But that's how I feel with this, right? Like, I just love being here so much that it bothered me, right? But watching you guys chat, that was pretty cool though. Okay, be careful. The people can. What? Okay, Kim, what's going on? Careful. The people cancel celebrating Columbus Day. I don't know what you're saying, my friend. Sorry, I'm. Oh, hi, Magic. Did you hear this? Did you get to sell Tesla? Was 800? Yeah, I heard it was up pretty high. on that. What a pain in the ass. Fuck. This person, oh no, I won't even go in it. It's, yeah, just Android stuff, right? Over $25 friggin' dollars, like, stress me out. The person pays me by, I'll tell you, the person pays me by accident. Or not by accident, we have a subscription. Doesn't contact me, just goes and pays for the, just goes and pays me money out of the blue, right? So I don't run a subscription anymore with it. I don't. It's just a one-time fee, right? It's usually $25 a year, like the box, and then $25 a year. But I just don't do it that way, right? There's better software out. So instead of like normally, wouldn't you contact the person and say, hey, or did the fees go up, or anything different with the store, or anything like that, or do you want me to? How do I pay you, right? She just goes to my email. And she's never paid through that way before, and just goes and makes a payment for $25 to me, and then I can't get a hold of her, right? What a pain in the ass. And now she had electronic deposit set up, so I paid her, and it deposited it, right, without a security code and all that stuff. So, just she's saying that she doesn't get it, and on and on and on. Oh. No, I didn't, Mr. L, but Sundial's buying up everything, my friend. Sundial's been on giving her for probably 8 months, since January, February last year. They've been buying up everything. They own Canopy too. They own a whole bunch of them. They're buying up everything. Sundial is the main company now, guys. Just so you know, or it's one of them, I should say. I'll correct that. There's only going to be a handful of main companies up in Canada. Okay, I'm just telling you that right now, and Sundial's one of them. Okay. Good morning, cryptos. Good morning, Richard. Oh, guys, I will be sending you a tracking number today. Okay, I'm just gonna send them out. I trust you guys. Obviously, right? Or else I would have to wait for it to go through the process. I'm not going to sit here and do that. I trust you guys, right? For the boxes, Android boxes, right? I'm just going to have to change the procedure in the future. I was sitting here thinking yesterday, you guys shouldn't be punished for something that happened with a PayPal, right? That's not fair to you guys, right? So, but if you do get the mail, please check off the box and send it back. But if not, then we'll just deal with it. Okay. Anyways. Okay. I didn't realize this Monday, not a day I really want to remember. Lost my wife that morning 2 years ago. Glad I'm. Oh fuck, Ed. Oh, pardon my language. Oh, buddy, that's shitty. That's shitty, my friend. Wow. Sorry to hear about that, my friend. Wow. Seemed like a very nice guy, man. Fuck yeah. Usually, wow. I don't know what to say, man. I don't know what to say, my friend. I'm just gonna, yeah. It's just one of those things. You know how it is, right? Retracted message, Manjeet. Did you have a question there, at all, Manjeet? Did YouTube retract it, or did it get blocked, or did you retract it? Good morning, Wolf. Oh, good morning, Christopher. Good morning, my friend. Good morning. Were you on here already this morning? You're usually here at the crack of dawn. No, you weren't this morning. Usually you're on here at like 4:35 o'clock sometimes. Okay, so is there anything that I can do for you, bro? Do you need to talk or anything like that offline? I know you have the membership and all that stuff, but if you need somebody to talk to, you know I'm always there, right? It is what it is, right? Oh, guys, you need to guys that do the chatting, the live video conference calls with me, and ladies, the new members, we're gonna have to arrange a time. If I haven't already arranged a time with you, it will be on Sunday. Okay. the other guys, Citizen, we're going to continue the same. Oh, no, we're doing it not this week, but next week. Yes, that's right. I'll rate Jason a message. Oh, you went to it? 007? You went to that there, Christopher? Right on. So, yeah, D, are you still on here? We're going to have to, and there's a couple other people that, but if I haven't set up a time with you already, we got to set up a time, okay, my friends? And just give you a little bit of a heads up, you should write all your questions down on a piece of paper, okay? Just because we only have a limited time. I sometimes go over, especially with the first talk, I will go over on the time, like it's not set in stone that time, but just because there's other people waiting too, right? But yeah, there you guys go. If you want to know what the real numbers are and like that, what I assume they are, like I don't really know exactly, but what am I going to be selling at the actual physical prices? What am I actually doing? Excuse me. Anything like that, any personal questions like that, to do with pretty much anything, I'm very comfortable with answering on there. Okay. And I just wanted you to just don't be nervous, the new people, and just ask the questions, okay? And we can talk. We can go over charts together, and if you're nervous about anything, that is your time to ask these questions, okay? This will just make you a better trader, knowing this stuff. And just so you know, if I don't have the answer, I will get you the answer, okay? Sasha, good morning. CD, good morning. Jerry, good morning. Okay? Angel, I already said it good. So yeah, it is what it is, guys, and I just want you to, have a good weekend. So let's jump on here. Charlie Fizz was predicting something going to happen on the 12th. Somebody said something that was going to happen on the 18th or the 20th, too. Did you guys hear it? I don't know. There's so many things that have happened with this stock that the only thing I'm waiting for is the squeeze, right? I'm just bugging you guys. That's awesome that you bring all this knowledge to the table and stuff. I do read through YouTube and stuff, but like I said, I'm subscribed to a lot of your channels. If you guys own a channel, even if you only have a couple members and you are actually building a channel, I will sub to it. I will support you. But anything to do with most of the other channels, like I had probably like 40, 30, no, that's including you guys, probably about 25 maybe sub to other channels, and I cut all of them, okay, over the last month because of the clickbait and false information, okay. It's really bad when they watch your video and then they turn it around and you're the only one that had that information. Yeah, that got a couple people delisted with me. Anyways, I don't mind if you use my content. I actually have reusable checked off. It's just that if you're going to change it, make sure you do the research on the information. So, I've only subbed to 2-3 channels besides you guys. So, it is what it is, right? Oh, okay. The market is up on Monday. Will the market be open Monday? Not if it's a long weekend, my friend. It's a physical long Columbia. No, it won't be open. That's a serious long weekend. No, it won't be open. That's only the States. I'm pretty sure that's only the States. It's open up here. The Toronto Stock Exchange will be open. So actually, let me have a look. Just give me a second, my friends. Tell me about the story that never ends. Yeah, there's no weekend. There's no long weekend. I'm talking for us. Yeah, no, there's nothing. Just give me a second here, please. Come on. There we go. Okay, there we go. There we go, Wolves. Okay. Good morning. Okay, I'm reading old stuff here. Sorry to hear that too, man. 097. Condolences Okay. Lou versus money always says if is that true? Are we going to be rich? Yeah, Jerry. Nobody knows, not even Lou. Okay, nobody knows. We have there's an area that is if you crunch the numbers, and I've actually done it live because people have asked me live when I'm talking on the video chat. Well, there's one person on the video chat thing that we just rip up numbers. Like we've started figuring out formulas and stuff, and I've come across these because I have the numbers saved, right, from the first lot of shares, the real numbers, and then the synthetics we don't know. I know roughly how many synthetics there is on the market, like 4 or 5 months ago. I have no idea now. Okay, so yeah, those numbers you can roughly get them. Yeah, so what numbers he's saying? Because there's no way, because of the order book, the failure delivers. They have a couple different books that they use, right, to shelf orders on. Excuse me. So it's just speculation. And he's smart enough to obviously to not say this is the physical number right down. He probably gave brackets like this number, between this number and this number, maybe over, because there's contributing factors in everything, right? And okay. Just so you, okay. Oh yeah. Who the hell is Jenna Clubo? Predicts 220 by end of October. I was eavesdropping on your conversation, Sasha. Yeah, you guys are closed for sure. You guys are closed. Does it usually do good on a 3-day week? It has in the past, but it is just another week. Depends if there's new movies, like when they had those new movies coming out months ago, or if something happened the week before, like say on the Monday, the Friday or the Thursday. Friday was the holiday. Like something crazy, like I don't know. I'm not going to even throw anything out there, just because there's a lot of crazy things that happen. What it can do is on a extra long weekend, people get together and talk. Okay, so it brings new people and more people into the market. That's a known fact. Okay, so yeah, that's how that happens. That's just one factor. There's a couple more on it. Okay. Nice, Christopher. Joby. We checked where our close. Does AMC do good? So yeah, it's a hit and miss. It's like on Witching Day. Does AMC ever do good? No, right? There's a reason for that. A lot of people don't trade on Witching Day. Some people do. A majority of people don't. Okay, they have their own reasons. Okay, Kim, I'll go check that out. I'll check that person out because I'm looking for new creators. I'm just I don't know. I'll keep my reasons why I don't want. Yeah, I already told you why I don't watch other people and stuff. There's only a handful of people. So yeah, I'm looking for new people that'll actually. I don't care if they talk about real numbers and stuff like that. That doesn't mean anything to me, right? Really, I don't go about with these numbers. Oh, it's this $5,000, $8,000. This is what it is at, because I know it's a short squeeze. Okay, I know that these numbers here don't mean anything. I've known that forever. Okay, so in broad brackets, okay, yeah. See, he's smart enough to do that because been on this. Okay, Warren, I'll go check this guy out. Yeah, the real numbers in the dark pool. Okay, that makes a difference. Okay, because you can figure that out, right? If you get the numbers, you can figure out the volume. Okay, you grab the volume for the day, right? You can't do it on that day. You gotta wait for the end of the day. You gotta wait for your numbers to come in, and you can make your own formula. It's easy to do. Okay, you find out how much you can use. Stocko Tracker is really good for dark pool information. You're only gonna get an idea on it. Okay, you're not gonna get physical right down to like $1. Okay, you're just gonna have a bracket there, which it helps, especially when you don't have anything, right? So what you do is you get the volume. Okay. You get the volume in total, but the stock trade, I would look at a couple different stock screeners to make sure you got, because they're all different, right? Just get the rough number of the volume. The volume of the volume is sold and bought stocks, okay? Just so you know that's the volume that moved through the stock, okay? So what you need is that, and then you got to figure out what was bought and what was sold, right? Because what's sold that doesn't mean anything. So there's a way to find that out. You just have to do some subtracting there. Then the other way, what you need to do is you need to find out the dark pool amount. Okay, the percentage helps. You can use that too. That's just a little bit more math. But if you can actually find out, I think Stocko Tracker actually gives you a physical share. In between this bracket and this bracket, it will give you shares. So you can actually take those shares with that number, and you can actually multiply by the, figure out what the percent isn't going through, what the share price is at, and you can come up with a number, okay? That's what he's doing. I know that for a fact because he's done live videos on it, not into the depth like that, but he's actually explained and, yeah. And most traders they're older school will know all the stuff because a lot of it wasn't modified. Does that make any sense? The volume was yes there, but all this stuff with all these numbers and stuff like that, you had that on a ticket or it was on a screen. It wasn't handy like on your smartphone. Okay, and these apps are all different. Like they could be off. They're not. When I say different, they're not enough where it would totally screw you up. They're only off a little bit, right? So yeah, that it is what it is. But I'm just saying that. Everybody has this access now in their hand, right? So it's just yeah, so that's what he's doing, guys. So that's what he's doing with that. A lot of the older traders before, like when I'm saying older, I'm not talking like from the 1930s, okay? I'm talking about just before these phones. So I'll just reiterate that. Just so we're talking like within the last 10 years, probably 7-10 years. It really got heavy in the last 3 years on these things. So I just wanted to, if you know and you did it back then, you can actually use your knowledge from back then. It's not bunk knowledge. You can actually bring it back to light and today, and actually you can use it for the old school systems. Okay, so that's what people are doing. That's what I've done. That's how I come up with my numbers on stuff. That's why I know these prices here. That's why I don't. It's just eye candy, right? What it's just doing is, the lower it goes, it's just buying. People are buying more and more and more of these synthetics, right? And it's screwing them, like bad. So it is what it is, right? They got to cover these things, and they can't cover them because there's no shares. There's no shares for sale. There's no shares available. Okay, when I say that, there is no real shares available. There hasn't been in like forever, since March for sure, 1,000%. February, around the end of February, maybe, but for the end of March, for sure. Of course, there's people that have problems in life that would cash in their real shares. Those are bought up immediately. Okay, those don't even fucking. They're bought so fast. Synthetics, they cannot cover with. Okay, guys. I know that for a fact. They're not. They're fraud shares. They're not legit. So they're not registered. So how would they cover their position with a fraud share? It won't work. So yeah, I should probably make a video on that because I haven't heard anybody else mention that actually, but that's true. I know that for a fact. And that's part of it. That's part of the squeeze, right? Listen to this, if there wasn't any synthetics out there, and you could just buy real shares, like just boom, you could go buy 1,000 or whatever you wanted, you could load up, right, on real ones, and it hit these numbers, they would just buy out. Okay, and I've been asked that question before. Well, what if it gets down to like $20? Why wouldn't they just pay it out and buy? They would. Right? They would, for sure. They would just get out of the position and just go, fuck you, and take off, and we'd be screwed. There would be no short squeeze, okay? But the synthetics screw us every other way possible. In this way, it protects us, okay? It's the only good thing about synthetics. So it is what it is, right? They need those real shares, okay? Those tickets, they need the real tickets. The synthetics they're not worth anything, okay? They're insured for us, okay? But they're on the physical market. You cannot trade for another stock because they're not real, okay? They don't even come up, okay? They're just sitting in a pool, and they just get slid in with other orders, and all of a sudden, yeah, you guys know, it's the same as putting a counterfeit bill in there. It's not. It has numbers on it too, but it's just not legit when it's checked out, right, on the actual float. Okay, guys. So does that help you at all a little bit? Because I know that I know some people were confused on that one, and I've never actually gone into it in that amount of detail with the synthetics. I've always just assumed. And that's why I'll be talking about it. You guys are, oh, what do you mean about these synthetics? Are you sure we're going to get paid and all this and then about it? And yeah, yes, but I think they're going to take the buy button off, okay, because of the synthetics, okay? And they can actually legally do it because of the synthetics. If there was no synthetics, if they took that buy button off, you could sue the shit out of them, okay? Like huge. But there's synthetics in there. So they're gonna say that it's just it's not good, which it's not, okay. What it does is it gives us those extreme highs and lows in the market, and yeah, it just I'm really I kind of figured that's gonna happen, okay, guys. I don't know when. Most of you guys have already got your shares. What you want to buy, of course, adding down is good, right? But it is what it is. Most of you guys are good with what you're at, and yeah, just be prepared for one day it's just not going to be there, okay? I'm just giving you guys heads up. Yeah, anyways, I'll stop going on about that. So does that help you guys at all? Does that? Okay, I'm doing this with a hurt throat, so it's kind of hard. Nice juicy candlestick here on my left, kicking on the left, but it's kind of hard to talk with my throat. But yeah, we are in a good place. We're in a good place right now, okay? It doesn't look like it, but we are. We're in a really good place. If we didn't have the synthetics on the market, we'd be screwed right now. We'd be so fucked. The squeeze wouldn't happen. They would just pay it out, gone, done. They just buy shares, right? Okay, guys. So we're good. We're good. Richard, I've heard Jay say he's never talked to Lou ever. Jay is he was one of my, probably one of the first 100 or 200. He's one of my he's on our channel, eh? He watches our videos every day. I can tell who watches and who doesn't out of the members, right? I just have a chart that tells you that stuff. It tells you a whole bunch of weird shit, but not personal stuff. We could see YouTube. We could see. Maybe he might have rented out, and this was a while ago. Maybe now. Yes, maybe now. But this was like 3 months ago. He said he didn't, because when he was mentioning about Lou moving down to closer to where he is, yeah, he said that. He says, I've never talked to Lou. Right? He said that. He says, I've never talked to him, but he's always, numbers are always on. I'm very intrigued by him. I've never talked to Jay live, but I've talked to him messaging. Because obviously we're on each other's walls, right? He's my number 2 sub on the chart because it goes by the amount of people that have subs. There's one person that has 100,000 subs, and then Jay's next on the channel. But yeah, I love the guy, man. I do. He reminds me of my grandpa. Wow. Like, I just hit it off as soon as I seen him. I was like one of his first, I think it was 20 or 30 subs when he just started, and I stuck up for him. He had a whole bunch of bad comments at first. Hey, grandpa, you don't know anything about AMC and GME. Yeah, he was just getting let's not even go there, because it makes me upset even thinking about it. But yeah, I got pissed off and tore the strip out of the people on there. And I didn't even have that many subs either. I was like maybe at 100 or 200 or something. But we started around almost the same time. Or, yeah, pretty close. Except he has a little bit nicer of a personality than me, right? I'm kind of more rougher on the edges. Either you like my stuff or you don't, right? It's just how it is, right? It's a screening tactic. It doesn't really matter to me, right? I do it for a certain way, and I'm very direct on it. It is what it is, just the way I am, right? It's money involved. There's major shit involved, right? It's not, I do joke around. Excuse me. Yeah, I would, do you know why? Because he's smart, and he doesn't want to do clickbait, okay? That is a good tuber. That is a good creator, okay? Guys, when was the last time I made a video besides these ones? Okay, I was gonna make one on the weekend, and I refused to. Right, I was going to, and I can't do that to you guys. I cannot do that. You can't get that time back, right? Even if it's only, my videos are very short and they're very, very juicy. I call them. They're packed with information, right? But there's enough of that stuff, and I know some people just are addicted to it. They just gotta watch it. Because I watch them coming on here with the comments, and that's sometimes if I don't answer your comments, because I know what videos you're watching, and we've already told you to stay the fuck off those videos. And it's just doing damage, because if you're asking me questions after we've already talked about it 15 times in the past like 3-4 months, oh, I hate going on that channel. Oh man, it's all clickbait. And then you come and ask me and say, oh, hey, this person is clickbait. Well, what does he mean by this? Well, why are you watching his stuff, right? So you're wasting my time, right? So I don't like redoing things 2-3 times. I have issues with that. It is what it is. What you're doing is you're mind fucking yourself. Okay, it's not healthy. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put some weird shit in your head subconsciously, and you're gonna make some bad choices on the squeeze. Okay, subconsciously. Okay, you don't need that information, guys. Do you understand that? Sorry, guys. So, hey, Johnny, good morning, Cap. Richard, good morning. Felix, good morning. Good morning, Felix. I'm going to, oh yeah, you just got on here. I'll be sending you a tracking number later on today, my friend. And if you get that thing from you, PayPal, just check it off and send it back, please. I'm going over and beyond. I'm sending you this without getting paid, these boxes, because I don't think, I'm explaining this, guys, because he's one of the people on here. And I don't think it's fair to you, okay? Because we're friends and you, I trust you. It is what it is, right? And I don't even think that you would screw me over, right? But let's not even go there, right? I haven't even thought about that, or else I wouldn't send you a box. It's a lot of money, right? But here nor said than done, is I'm going to be changing this procedure with PayPal can kiss my ass, okay? Sorry guys, but they've lost me as a client, and it's a really shitty company. So what's happened is they pretty much called me a fraudster, the way they put this message out there. I asked them, well, why are you treating me like a freaking criminal? Like, what the hell did I do to you guys, right? 30-day probation, all this. Oh, because of all the fraudulent, the type of thing you do can be a fraud. You can fraud people with it. Did you just call me a fraudster? I don't even know you. I said, you just lost my business. So sorry guys about that. I'll get off the topic. So yeah, there you go, my friend. Yeah, so Warren, yeah, that's back to Mr. J there. That's the same thing, right, guys? It is what it is, right? He's not a fucking retard. He's a normal person, okay? So there's what? 5 of us on all of YouTube? Right? It's pretty fucking ridiculous. So anyways, and I'm not blowing smoke up my own ass. I know that, like I said, either you like the channel or you don't. It is what it is, right? I'm not going to change it for anybody. It is what it is. I built this for you guys only, and I always adapt to what you guys want. So this is what you guys, the finished product that you guys made, okay? I even ask you right to the stock screeners. What kind of screeners do you want? What this. So yeah, guys, I'm not going to throw names out there of the other tubers. You guys know who they are. Yo, what's up, brother? Oh, you're such a cute kid every time you put that on there, man. That's such a good pick. But yeah, so you guys, stop watching those fucking videos. I'm just bucking you, but seriously. The only reason why I keep on going on about it is because I keep on getting the questions from those videos, okay? And every time I get the questions from the videos, I'm going to throw that back, okay? Because I don't want you guys, you only live once, right? You only live once. You're wasting your life on stupid shit. It is. We got this multi-stage going on here, my friend. We are in the green. Ow. Okay, I'll stop. Yes, Kim. There's a handful of fucking good creators out there. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Yes, yeah. But very, very few, okay? It's over the last month, like I said, I had to get rid of all my subs pretty much except you guys, and I think I have 2 subs for AMC and stocks. It's that bad. And one of them's from the UK. It's not even around here, right? It's just I can't do that, man. My life is too short, right? Everything I do involves money, okay? Watching those videos costs me money and time. There are some genius YouTubers. Yep. Okay. I'll stop ranting. I usually don't go off like that that often. It just had to be done. Okay, guys? It's not against anybody. It's just the only way that's just how I talk. You guys know that, right? Try being my wife when I fucking trying to explain something. Yeah. So anyways, she sits there, yes. Right, in a nice way. Right. Okay, Jay. Yeah, I have scaled back. I was watching hardcore, trying to get everybody to increase my knowledge and see who is legit and who not full-time job doing. Yeah, my friend. Yeah, it is. It is. And then by the time you get the information that you need, you've got all this useless shit in your head, and you can't even remember why you got on YouTube in the first place. I do it for fixing my ATV or everything. I always look on YouTube, right? Okay, let's go through our screener, all our stocks today. Okay, GME is at 173 and some chump change. It is a 0.57% in the green, my friends. Wolves. Okay, AMC is $38.13. It is par right now. Ticker symbol CCL. Carnival is $24.59. Is 0.37 in the green. Naked Brand is 66 cents. It is 1.56 in the green. Ticker symbol AAL is $20.14. It is 0.17 in the red. Not much. Costs is $15.80, 0.64 in the green on that one. We got a whole bunch of them that are just sitting par right now. Okay, ticker symbol SU. Suncor Energy is $28 sitting par. When I say par, some people don't know, it's just sitting at neutral. Okay, it's not up, down, nothing. It's just neutral. Okay. Air Canada is $23.09 sitting par. BlackBerry this is the Canadian price, okay? $12.06. That is CND, okay? Canadian funds is par right now. Okay, ticker symbol MVIS, which is Microvision, $10.41, 1.14 in the red. Cough break. Excuse me. Some Canvas stocks. CGC, Canopy Growth, is $13.74, 1.67 in the green on that baby. Oh, look at Sundial go. Oh, look at this. Look at this. You guys deserve this. Ow. Oh, shit. Okay, $69. Wouldn't you wish it was that? I had to throw that, guys, out there for you guys. It will be one day. Okay, it's 69 cents, and it is 7.08 in the green. I love saying that for you guys when it's up like high like that. Yeah, right on. I just love you guys making money. I just do. I'd rather, because of I've already done some good, like some big plays and done really good and stuff, right? I get excited too, but it has to be a lot to get me, like an AMC squeeze. That gets me excited. But like just making like 10, 20, 30 grand, it's just a job, right, to do. But when you guys make it, it makes me really happy. It makes me more happy to watch you guys make a play and make money on it. And just hearing your stories, oh man, when it was in my bank, it looked like this. And just hearing the stories, it makes me smile, right? Because I've been there and done that lots, right? But it's I like to see you guys all day long doing that, right? Okay, so Dogecoin is 24 cents. It is 0.52 in the green. Cardano is ADA. It is $2.26. It is 0.15 in the red. Ticker symbol BTC. Bitcoin is $54,430. 1.13 in the green. Ethereum is ticker symbol TE. Let's see, ETH. $3,614. 1.10 in the green. So that is it for our watch list there. I know we got some more that we're watching here on another screen here. I'm just looking at this ticker thing on the bottom. Shit, Shiba's up again, 18% right now. Excuse me. So there you guys go. Big Sal, what's up? You guys that I gotta say it again. I'm very friggin' happy for the sundial, guys, for you guys. Excuse me. Excuse me. Marcel is cool. Yeah, I don't know half these guys you watch. I'll check out the one or two, but I don't. I wouldn't mind getting like maybe one or two, maybe to have 4 or 5 people I watch. Besides you guys, I watch your guys if you own a kicking shows or anything like that, or gold panning. I do watch your videos, right? I will actually spend time, and even if it's looking at antique cars and that's your channel, I'll watch it. Just so you guys know, I'll support every new video that comes out. It's just the way I am. It's all respect, right? You guys show me respect, I'll show you respect back. It's just how I was raised, right? I'm old school. You guys know that. So, okay, Jay, I don't know what you're talking. You were talking to somebody else on there, I guess, eh? I sorry, buddy. I just read your message, Jay. You were just obviously talking to, no, never mind. Oh, I scaled back to yeah, I guess you're talking to somebody else. That's why the comment didn't make any sense. But if you do, I just wanted to give you some enlightenment on the situation with Sundial. It is up a substantial amount than what it usually is. You guys know that, okay? Because it can go down. If you do own, they have synthetics too, around the same range, okay, the same dates. That is okay to swing trade, okay? You guys know that, right? There's a substantial amount of shares available. It's not going to, and I'm not sounding like fucking the douche warrior here. I'm not talking about a stock that is going to go into a squeeze, okay? Sundial is going to go into, it's going to rip like a motherfucker, okay? It's going to probably go, I can't put numbers on it. It's going to go up high. Is it going to go up like AMC? Fuck no. Nowhere even close. Are you going to make good money on the play? Yes. Huge money on the play. Especially if you own like a ton of shares because they're so cheap, right? Especially if you bought back when they were like 20 cents, 10 cents. Good morning, B Ghost. So that is because I had that, good morning, Michael. I had that question asked to me before, and I was very vague on it. It's just that it's time now, guys. You can go I'm going to support. I usually stay back and just, I won't involve, and I won't give feedback. I said, guys, just do whatever you want. Just be careful. I just want you guys to know is just go make some money if you want. I can't tell you guys what to do, but it has synthetics in it. It's the same shit, right? That is a play. It's not, as you guys know, like AMC. But if you want to just go, it's at a number right now. If you bought low, and because you guys know it's going to do a dip again, okay? Look at the past history on this stock. If you've been holding Sundial, you know it's going to go down. And then it's going to take forever, go back up. And then it's going to go down. It's just one of those stocks. Is very predictable, that stock. Okay, that's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying is fuck. Yeah, so like if you like look at Warren, I got 500 hoping to get more. So yeah, that's an easy way to do it is what I had said. Okay, is I can't tell you what to do, but that's what I do. That's what I was doing with the COVID pill, okay? In a bigger scale though. I was dealing with like lots of money, okay? I was selling $10,000 lots, like lots, okay? And I had them in different plays on the same stock, like different time frames and all that. So, excuse me, for Angel, there you go. If you have like 5,000, but something like that, a huge number, if you're up a substantial amount, there's nothing wrong with that, guys, is to liquidate and then reposition. Because you know, if you've been in long as Angel, he knows. I don't even need to ask him. He's a bright man, right? And I know that because of the questions and stuff, I know that he knows the stock, okay? Because I can tell by the way he talks. Majority of you do. But he knows, and I'm speaking for him because we've never even talked about this. He knows it goes like this. And that it at the number it is right now, it's at a good number, okay? So that's all I wanted to tell you guys. I never do that, okay? I just got this feeling on it. That's all. And I just wanted to share it with you guys. I don't own any. If I did, I'd make a decision. Nice cup we're getting here. There you go. See? Just called it exactly what I talked about. If you can turn that 5,000 into like 7,000-8,000 on like within 2 weeks, and it's free money. Yeah, it is what it is, right? And some channels will, if you talk about that stuff, they I've seen them kick people off. But that's it is what it is, guys. I want you guys to be rich, okay? Excuse me. Any other questions? Do you guys have any other questions that you want to talk about? Stuff that I can answer, obviously. I think I should ask you guys that more. I have a note on my computer to ask you guys that pops up all the time, because I've noticed that I should ask you guys more of that. To ask you guys, do you want to talk about anything, or do you have anything that you want to go over? I'm just trying to be more friendly, like more of like a brotherhood group, like hardcore stuff. You know what I mean? Instead of like, hey, how's it going? Like just to kind of get to know all of us better as a group, right? More involved. That's what it is. I'm all getting emotional and weird with you guys. That's what happens when you don't smoke, eh? I'm sitting here just white knuckling it. Oh, and if I haven't got it yet, if I get edgy, it's because I haven't been smoking, right? But just trying to think, have I done everything this morning? My focus is off. My play is a little bit off, is because I'm used to rewarding myself with smoking, and it takes up time. So I've noticed that I have all this extra time. Excuse. Oh, hey, Mr. L. Nothing on the super on the bot. No, I haven't heard anything on it. Except that it's I need this thing to squeeze, man. I gotta pay a lot of money for that patent. Okay, we're looking at starting 20,000, just starting. Okay, so yeah, it's gonna cost a lot of money, man. I need the squeeze to happen, which it is what it is. It's gonna take a year, at minimal a year. Anything after that, it potentially could squeeze. Okay. Its squeeze takes about a year. So hopefully it does it by December. If it doesn't, it'll do it by January, February. Because nobody knows. It's just that I'm not going to sit here and keep on saying it's going to be next month. Because I don't know. I can do that though. Right? Oh, how do you go about on paying taxes on stuff? You can do a ballpark on that, but usually you'll get like a ticket at the end of the year from your bank or whoever you buy them through. You're gonna need an accountant, my friend. I would not challenge. Well, I shouldn't. a normal person wouldn't challenge that. Okay. I personally do pay my own taxes, because if you mess up, they just fix it for you and send it. They don't like that, they'll send you a nasty letter. I've been doing it for years. With stock stuff, what I do is you guys know how I operate. Every stock I sell, I pay myself about 45% to 50%. On a squeeze like AMC, I put 50% of my money away. 50 spending or whatever, right? Just the way I am, okay? Because if I'm falling behind on anything else, it'll just cap it. I love extra money, okay? It's very rewarding. I always shoot low, okay? Not saying I'm an underachiever. It's just that just try it for a while. Just try it for a while. Not like shoot yourself like, oh, I'm not going to be good. I'm not talking about that kind of stuff. I'm talking about, for instance, your retirement fund. You know how most people they put money away monthly, right? For retirement. Okay. When I was working, I would put about $2,000 a month away. Okay. And just forget about it. It was like gone, right? So I did that for 10 years, right? So, but I only needed to put $1,500 away. Okay. So over the 10 years, that was enough to buy a brand new truck. And that's what I own right now at the time. Okay. So yeah, it is. I always do that with everything. I don't know. Maybe I'm a friggin' weirdo, but it just pays off. I don't get penalized on taxes ever and that kind of stuff. And I like to be in a good mood, right? I don't like these big getting slammed. Excuse me. I was timed out. Oh shit. Yeah. Great. The Great. I'm going to call you the Great. He don't like me. We used to be pretty good friends. Okay. That's friggin' hilarious. You actually made me smile. I'll even smile for you. I want to tell you something about that. I don't really talk about, as you guys know, I did AF, I'd be joking around, but I've totally changed the way I do it. I won't even engage. Like even when I was talking about other tubers, I will not mention personal names on here. I just changed that in the last month because it's something I need to work. I watched one of my own videos that was playing on the TV and I didn't like how it sounded, how I was acting. Okay. I know everybody was laughing. Oh yeah, it just sat wrong with me. Right. And that was me talking. Right. I just didn't like the way my voice, my attitude. Yeah. Oh, sorry guys. I didn't answer the rest of that. So yeah, it is up to you. I would definitely get an accountant though. Okay, I would. I'm going to get one for, because I have all my dividend stocks. I got to pay taxes on that stuff. I got my union pension coming in. Mine's a little bit different. And I got medical write-offs. Oh, good morning, Gloria. I would definitely get one. Call around, okay? And they are scam artists, okay? They're the same. They're same as a lawyer. Oh, I can't tell you how much it is until I do it. That's bullshit. Okay. There's different types of taxes. Okay. Married. Okay. Then they charge you a certain amount. Okay. If you have dependents, a certain amount. If you're single, certain amount. If you worked one single job through the year, certain amount. Okay. Don't play into the bullshit. Okay. They're professional scam artists, accountants. Okay. I know that for a fact. Okay, because I owned a welding company and I used to pay up to $5,000 to $10,000, depends, on taxes for 1 year. Okay, and then I found a person to do 1,000, and they showed me it's pretty easy. If I save my receipts in a bag and put gas in this, and just that's all I had to do. They asked me to separate them. Okay, and they showed me it's pretty simple. So if you do that. If you do that, and just keep it keep your paperwork and just take it in semi-organized, it's going to make a huge difference. So what you do with the accountant is you call a couple different places, and if they try saying, oh, I need to go through your taxes first before I can even give you a quote, just go to somewhere else. I would. That's a red flag right away for me. They're pretty much telling you they're going to gouge you. Okay, so it is what it is, right, guys? The accountant is very powerful. They can save you major money. If you find a good one, you don't want to shop around. Okay, it's like a lawyer, right? You find a good lawyer and you have a lawyer. He's your buddy, man, right? Warren, there you go. Warren just mentioned that. So, yeah, guys, find a good one. Maybe you guys can, a lot of it is by emails nowadays. You don't need to be in the same town, okay? Long as you're in the same country. You guys might want to share your accountants, okay? On here. Like, for instance, Warren has a killer accountant. Sometimes they're looking for clients, especially with the the COVID, right? They might need clients and stuff. All that stuff can be done by transferring files and a signature. And there's an e-file now, signature. You don't even have to, that's what I do, right? There you go. I just mentioned that, and then Warren. Yeah, you guys are in the same country. It's IRS is IRS, right? So anyways, did that help you guys at all? And let's jump back in the great. Okay, so what happened was we were friends. Oh, you guys are getting unlocked here. I'm just gonna have to show. Ed got blocked. Ed got blocked. Stop getting blocked, Ed. Okay, so anyways, I didn't have a channel. Okay, I had 20 subs. Okay, I watched him and Trey, right? And I had just as many problems with Trey. That's another topic. He stole a bunch of my content off my channel, like my screen, and that's another word, and changed it. Oh yeah, fuck. He finally fucking changed it, man. YouTube gave him shit for it. But yeah, wow. But anyways, that's another thing. So yeah, so along with Mr. Coors there, my Jew man, the Jew man. I have nothing against with Jewish people. I love them. Okay, he's just my little Jew boy, right? So we're friends on Instagram, right? He started following me, and I'm like, I have no subs. I actually respected the guy. I was actually blown away when I got it. He subbed to me, and I was watching his videos and stuff. I made a couple comments on his on his wall, and then he subbed to me. Well, I felt privileged, right? I know it's funny saying it now, like, oh, whatever, the guy's a clown, right? Majority of people think that, right? I'm just telling what I felt like as a person, okay? Because I really respected him. I thought he was something, okay? So I really, it's same as people when I talk to them on the chat bar, and they're like, you actually talk to me? I've had so many people say that. Well, what do you mean I actually talk to you? Oh, I'm used to nobody ever talking to me, never answering my questions. So that's exactly the feeling I got, right? Just respect right away. So anyways, I said that I'm building a channel, and he's like, oh, that's cool. Right on. Welcome to the movement, right? I'm like, cool, right? And then I said, well, how do you get subs? Like, I was very new at this, right? Like, how do you got, and at that time he had 100,000 or 90,000, 80,000 subs, I think it was. It was quite a while ago. And he goes, well, you just go, he says you have to be on multiple platforms. And he says, I'm on Twitch and a bunch of other ones. So I set all that stuff up. And I said, well, can you give me some advice on some stuff? And he did, right? He did. Same as Andrew More Money, right? I talked to him lots, like with Andrew More Money back and forth, right? But one day, it was our last share count when they found this, not the last one, the one before that. I think the very first share count actually it was. I found synthetics, the word synthetics, and a couple of people, they didn't, what it was synthetics, but it was called something else. Just give me a second. Naked shorts. No, naked. No, it was something else. They don't really use the terminology anymore. Ghost shares. That's it. Ghost shares. So anyways, I said, mention something about it. I said, this numbers don't make sense there, Matthew. So is it possible that there's ghost shares? And he goes, oh, you can't talk about that. I'm like, well, what do you mean you can't talk about that? He's, oh, you can't talk about that, man. You can get sued on YouTube for that. And I said, how the fuck? I'm thinking to myself, how the fuck would they sue you? You're admitting there's fraud and you're exposing. Like, that doesn't make sense. It's not like this person's doing it, right? So anyways, I asked him a couple questions on it, and he just totally got weird, man. I said that about synthetics and that. I said, well, what's your opinion on synthetics? And he just says, you can't. He freaked out on me, man. He said, you can't talk about that on my channel. I'm like, holy fuck, buddy, chill out, man. Little retard gets pissed off, right? So then I wrote him a message out of respect. I said, hey, dude, you don't have to disrespect me like that, man. In front of your on your channel. And I said, I'm actually a pretty easygoing guy. I was just asking you a question because you seem educated in this matter. And I said, I'm sadly mistaken that you aren't educated in this. And I said, is there something I did wrong? You blocked me on Instagram. Like, what did I do? I didn't do anything. I was just asking a question, and I actually really respect you, right? I'm building a channel, and I'm not trying to steal your subs or anything like that. I was just asking simple questions as a creator to a creator, and he never talked to me ever again on that, and blocked me from his channel. I went on there once to say hi. After this, blocked me, just permanently blocked me off the channel. And then I found out that he was doing it to multiple other people unless you paid him on Super Chat. I didn't even know what a Super Chat was. Okay. So anyways, there's my story. I'm sticking to it. Andrew Mo Money was a little bit different. I found some documents on him that were, I have video, I have a podcast. I'm not going to go read through it again. It's not fair to him. It is bad, really bad. Okay. Since he has a book out and a whole bunch of stuff, and it's just not good, right? But I'm not gonna smear him twice. I've already smeared him once with factual information. If you want to watch it, it's in a video. It's called Shills, and it has Matt Kors, and it has a picture of Matt Kors bending over under my money. No, I'm joking. It doesn't. No, I'm just joking. But it just has those two guys on it. Okay, there's an article on it. I just did not think it was right about bragging about making $400,000 off of people and stuff. And I just don't understand that stuff. I don't understand that stuff. So anyways, enough about that. I usually don't talk about that stuff. Like I said, in the last couple months, I won't even talk about AF, right? Is that AF? Ass face? No, I'm just that's what I used to call my dog AF before any of this, right? And his nickname was Ass Face. Okay, that's why I said that. Andrew More Money, he's a scientist. Yeah, he's something. But anyways, I don't actually mind the guy. It's just I just, it is what it is. I'm not gonna sit here and slam him. I already did a really good job on these federal documents and shit I found on him, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna talk about it on here. It is what it is. But yeah, Matt is a piece of work. He has, I know this for a fact. He has multiple lawsuits on him right now. He's getting sued. Just so you know that he's getting sued for sure. I know that for a fact, and I'm not going to go into it. there's a couple of YouTubers that he gave some advice to, and they're suing the shit out of him. Okay, that's why his disclaimer is so thorough on there. Okay, he's getting that's why that super chat thing. That's why his channel's been taken down twice. Okay, and he won't even get mad. He's such a weird guy, man. If they took my channel down, I'd be fucking losing it and expressing it live. He's like, I'm so mad. I thought it was fucking hilarious. But if they took my channel down, man, I'd lose it. I'd get mad and then calm down and deal with it, right? But that's normal to deal with it. So anyways, there you go. There's my rant. There's my slamming shit for for the day. Anything you do, get... there you go. Warren's giving me some advice. Let's get on to some serious shit here, man. Let's get on to some serious shit here, guys. Ha! Church. The church. That's one of the federal documents, man. Angel, you know what I'm talking about. You fucking must. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah, he's... yeah. Oh, piece of work, man. Okay. Excuse me. Angel, yes, you're smart. You're smart. We said that once today, my friend. Now go make yourself some money. I can't tell you what to do, but go make yourself some money on Sundial. Now just going back on your questions here, because there's a couple of... makes sense here. We pay about 70. When you add it all up, we pay about 70% in taxes. Holy sh! Whoa. On what? Oh, citizen, I don't understand what you're talking about. You're talking about like when you make the money, right? I'm in Canada. It's totally different, right? But up here, when you make the money, you get nailed. Depends on the wage you make, right? So if you make around... I'm just going to go off what I sort of make around the main. I usually make about 40 to 45 bucks an hour on the lower scale. Depends on what I'm doing. Okay. That's around if I'm just welding and just operating, no specialty work. That's usually what I get. My taxes are about 35%, 38. Depends, right? If I'm writing my spouse off, there's a couple contributors there. So I just wanted to say it's about that. I usually put 40% away, 40% away. And then we have 12, we have a GST and a PST, a government sales tax, which they lowered. I'm just giving an estimate. This isn't exactly. Between the two of them comes to about 12 to 13%. So we're up to like 40, 50, 40, yeah, about $50, 50%. We pay 50%. That's what we pay in Canada. Excuse me. Oh fuck! And the fucked up thing is the I think it's the same in the States. Is World War II. The tax was brought in, right? One of them, and it was only supposed to be a temporary emergency fund, and it was supposed to be removed after the war, okay? And they didn't remove it, and it was and they didn't even amend it. That document still states that it's supposed to be removed after the war. They did not even. They just fucking left it. So technically you can fight it and not pay taxes. It's just the problem is you need a lot of money for a lawyer and you got to put it through the system. But in the meantime, if things go sideways on you, look at these green candles we got going on here. If things go sideways on you, you have to pay percentage on it too. So it's if you're gonna battle it, be prepared. But you can actually win it. I know up in Canada you can actually win it. Okay. There, yeah, look at that, eh? That's beautiful. Okay, so oh fuck, oh. Charlie Horse. If he's open to new cost, oh yeah, I was just reading that. Okay, add in property tax as well. Oh, Shamaran, yes. I was just going off of basically when you work and you just buy stuff. Oh yeah, it goes on. It fucking goes on and on and on and on. I pay low property tax. I pay low. I think I pay, my property tax is like $800 a year. Yeah, you battled it. You know, citizen. Yes, you know exactly what I'm talking about. See, that's what I'm saying. On this channel, it's weird how we've all levitated towards each other, because not that many people know about that shit, and it seems that it's weird that we keep on bumping into stuff that we're all interested in, and it's very weird stuff that most people aren't interested in, and it's like it's weird how we all kind of, we have our little niche, but we've all kind of come together. It's weird. I think about that. Why do you think Roaring Kitty and Ryan Corn on LLC? Yeah, no kidding, eh? How is the tax different if Squeeze is next year in the US? That I can make a comment on it. I'm gonna go out on a limb here because I don't technically know, okay? But I know I do and I don't, okay? Because it's broke up. Your taxes are broken up into 2 different years. You can claim half and half, okay? See, I just said that. And then you guys are just answering that, okay? Same up here in Canada. I'm not going to be Mr. Negative, but we could be looking at next year, okay, guys? Like I said, a squeeze takes a year. It takes a year. Every squeeze on the planet has taken a year plus, just so you know that, okay? Excuse me. GameStop didn't squeeze. You guys know that, right? It had a gamma. It had a gamma and FOMO. It didn't squeeze at all. They still have not covered those shorts, okay? They ran out of money. You guys know about that, right? Because I had somebody, not on here, but I was talking on some platform, and I was in a full-out argument on it, and the fucking guy called me a shill for that. A shill because I said it didn't short squeeze, and I'm like, do you even know what a short squeeze is, my friend? I'm not trying to disrespect you, but I'll explain it to you. No, Sanjay, I'm not explaining it. But, of course, maybe a couple covered, but they didn't cover, right? They doubled down, and still to this day they own those shares, some of those people, right? No, I hope it goes this year, my friend. I hope it for sure goes this year. I hope it does. But I'm just telling you the factual information on a short squeeze is that the number one, it takes about a year. Okay, GME did not short squeeze, but Roaring Kitty worked on that for a year to the day. Okay, just so you know. But yeah. So I'm just giving you guys heads up. I just don't want to. I'm not going to put that bullshit out there. It's going to be in 2 weeks. It's going to be next month. We don't have the volume right now. Okay. and because of the dark pool stuff, right? And if it wasn't for that dark pool stuff, we did have the volume. Okay, we could have expedited it. Okay, we could have. It would have expedited it because we did have the volume coming in, but the fucking dark pool screwed us. Okay, if it wasn't for that dark pool, we could have expedited it into like 8 months instead of 12 months, maybe 7 months instead of 12 months. But it is what it is. Do I think it's going to squeeze? Fuck yeah. Do I think it's going to be the biggest squeeze in history? Fuck yeah. Yeah, it is, right? Has anything changed? Yeah, it has. They put more on it. They shorted the shit out of it more. Okay? Will they suspend the dark pool? I don't think they. It's under investigation right now. I know it for 100% because they haven't been talking about it. They can't talk about something that's under investigation. I know for a fact that they're investigating it. Do I think that they will suspend it? I showed they have a law. It's already been passed. We don't have to put this through the government and it has to be voted on, all that. 2015, they had a big problem with dark pool back then. Okay, they can suspend the dark pool up to 12 months for an internal investigation. Okay, I'm just telling you that right now, and it will not. It says right in the rule, it will not affect trade or retail investors. Okay, if they suspend it, game over. Oh yeah, that's our catalyst. Fuck yeah, that's it. If they suspend that, I guarantee within a month, it's we're in the squeeze for sure. You have to remember they have to cover though, right? Or else it's not a squeeze. But I think it'll put them up in those high numbers, which they're going to go, holy shit. We need to cover this because it's going to start going in the thousands of percent. Excuse me. Stop buying soon. Oh, they're going to, yeah, I already talked about this, but yeah, they're going to be pulling that buy button off for sure. Because what they're doing is they're selling fraud shares, right? They are committing fraud. Every one of these platforms, like your bank, every one of them knows and is willingly committing fraud. So it is what it is. Just so, yeah. But they got to be proven. So like if I went up to my bank and said, hey, I'm suing you for selling me fraud shares, you have to prove it, right? That's the problem. And you will be able to prove it. You will be able to prove it, but what they'll do is we didn't know. So I will think of a way how to sue them. I've already sued the TD Bank. Well, I didn't sue them. I'll be very, very straight. I did a 3-hour lawsuit. I didn't actually file the paperwork. I did an on the phone settlement with the AMC buying selling thing, and I got paid cash. I can't disclose how much it was, but yes, I did get out of court. I'm very fast with my words, and I had my screenshots. Recorder. I had the AZ recorder. He could not dispute it. He was screwed, he said. He goes, man, how'd you know how to do that? Oh, thanks, Jay. Thanks, brother. Thank you. Okay, I'll unlock you. So, Jad, what's up? Yes, that's right, Jad. Yep, they do. They know there's fraudulent shares. Yeah, that's right. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll be probably doing a couple class action lawsuits against my bank and my broker after this. I'll find something to go after them for. It's just, and it is. And yes, I will go after them. It's not after a personal. It's a personal. I'm doing. I just want to hang out with them because I like them so much, right? It's personal, right? I just want to get their attention. And why did they sell this stuff? They know, so why not ding them, right? And what I'll most likely be doing is a class action, so that will give a chance for people on the channel to jump on for free, right? I've done them before, not to do with stocks, but I've done them on like just stuff in general, right? I'm actually involved in a couple right now because of my neck surgery, because of the medication they were giving me for my neck back years and years ago. Yeah, I got a class action lawsuit on that. It's Canada versus this company, and I'm part of that because of the medications they gave me when I was in the hospital without even telling me. They just put me on this shit, right? And it made me very sick, right? So that's right. That is right. You guys are getting this. You guys are nailing this shit, my friends. You guys are nailing it. Your questions are, like I said, way different than months ago. Way different. You guys are like totally getting this, man. I'm very confident. If I wasn't around, which I will be, if I wasn't around on the squeeze, I'm very confident in you guys. Before, yeah. A majority of, I'm not saying that it's nothing I did. You guys did all the work. It's nothing I did. I'm not saying because I showed you or taught you guys anything. I didn't. All I was just showed you how to look outside the box and what greed is, right? The definition of greed can be taken in a lot of different ways, especially in the stock market. You guys came up with the final answer. I just gave you the product, right? And showed you what this, and this, right? And you guys came up with the answer. You guys told me what you're doing, right? Okay, hopefully AMC goes to 40. Yeah, Johnny, that'd be awesome. Just for you, Johnny, just so that you have some eye candy, because that'll make you feel good, right? That $40. Me, it doesn't matter, because I already know it doesn't matter what these prices are. Soon as we just got to wait for a catalyst, right? They can't cover. There's no way they can, because they don't have the shares to do it. We own them, right? We own the real ones. But yes, Johnny, if that makes you feel good, I hope it goes to 40 and stays there, my friend. I gave up on the stock market pretty much because of this bullshit. Like, you guys asked me that last week. Oh, shit. You guys, a bunch of you asked me that last week, and they're like, well, are you still doing dividend? Well, yeah, I'll have my couple plays, right? Because they can't, you can't make synthetics with that. But there's only going to be one stock that I'm in on, or two stocks that I'm in on that aren't a dividend. Okay, is Air Canada, okay, and BlackBerry. That's it. The rest are dividends. And I'm investing 3/4 less the money in the market I was going to. I don't trust the market at all. They're fucking retards, straight up. So the only thing I'm going to do is invest in dividends, and I have my dividend stocks, and I will share that with you guys. Like as always, I even have my dividends right now that I own some cheese in right now. It's on my thing. I show you guys every day with that, right? I'm very transparent with that stuff for you guys. So yeah, I just wanted to, and I'll always share my plays with you. Right on, but it won't be involved in the stock market, right? A majority of it. I'm into bigger percentages, like 20, 30, 40% on my money, right? So it is what it is. It is what it is. But doesn't mean that I'm not going to jump in on a play. Like for instance, if I had a little bit of money, I would have jumped on the sundial play and flip it back and forth like that. There's not a problem with it. If you guys need a hand with anything on here, I will always help you guys out, right? With stuff. Like in the mornings, if you ask me 1 or 2 stocks. But if you pass me a list with like 10, 15 stocks on it, dividend stock, ask me to do the work, I won't do it. Because that's taking advantage of me, okay? If you ask me for one stock, hey, I'll show you the system. I don't mind doing it. I'll even do 3 of them with you. Then you should learn how to do it, right? Because if you don't know that, and then you ask me, it doesn't make sense. You should learn how to do this stuff. It's educate. This stuff you can use for the rest of your life, this education. They don't teach this in school. Well, they would in a finance class, but This is stuff that you need in life. This is like serious shit. This is how to become a millionaire, right? Self-taught. Does anybody own Shiba? A bunch of people do on here. I don't know if they're on here right now. We're only at 37 viewers right now. Angel, you created a bunch of monsters. I'm thinking, actually, yeah, maybe. But hey, man, they don't put a bullshit, right? And the thing is monsters. Yeah, I guess we did. Wow, that's crazy. But hey, we're gonna be rich monsters, man. And the thing is you gotta be like this now with the stock market. Like, I'm just blown away. This is the shit you gotta do. You gotta be sneaking around with a fucking screen recorder, going through, calling your broker. Like, it's messed up shit, man. You gotta do that. You got synthetics, you got naked shorts going around, you got fucking ladder attacks happening. You gotta know all this shit just to trade. Like, it's just messed up, man. So yeah, man, I don't know how you guys deal with stress and stuff, but I don't put myself in stress like this on purpose. Like, the AMC thing was, I did not know what I was getting into. Would I do it again? Fuck yeah, right? But would I do another play like, because there won't be any more plays like AMC, because they changed a bunch of the rules behind us, and this won't happen again. Not like this, right? This will never happen in the history of the stock market again. Not the same way this happened, okay? There'll be little pops in the market, but there won't be any oversold shares like this. Ow. It just won't, right? And because they've changed a lot of rules already for that problem, right? That's what I'm saying. This is a one-shot deal, okay? And like, you only have one shot, and then everybody's like, yeah, I know you only have one shot. But you got to look into that answer a little. What I'm giving that answer, yeah, I know it's one shot, but really think about that, because most people don't. They just say, yeah, oh, that's stupid. Of course it's only one shot. We only get one shot on it. But there's about 10, 15 things in on that one question, right? You're selling brackets. You got to know what the hell you're doing. You got to ignore these numbers right now and just fucking concentrate on the squeeze when it squeezes. This doesn't mean anything right now, this shit. It's just eye candy, right? It doesn't matter at all what these prices are right now. Excuse me. I just try to get you guys to think, not trying to get you. I don't like that word. You guys do whatever you want. I've always said that. You do what you want. But that's how I look at it. Like, I look at the stock market and I'm like, oh, fuck yeah, man, it's green. Oh yeah, I'm doing good today, right? But I don't, if I'm in on a play, I know what I'm trying to accomplish, okay? I know what I need for the shares, okay? I always do 100% what I have to do, I do, okay? What I can't control, or what is happening, but I know the end come is this, I'm okay with that, right? So like, these numbers don't mean anything at all. They don't. If there wasn't synthetics around, they wouldn't squeeze. The stock would not squeeze, okay? They would have covered, right? But they can't get their hands on those shares, okay? That's the only thing that's keeping us alive right now. So, anyways, I sold my Sundial earlier. That's fine, Warren. Oh, sorry, Angel. I'm jumping ahead here. I was checking out QYLD. Pretty good dividend. Yeah, Kim, good. You took some of the knowledge that we're all talking about. You probably know about it yourself. You checked out the finance, all that stuff. See, you guys know what you're doing, right? Like, that's what you should be able to do that. Like, that's such basic stuff. That will make you a lot of money in the near future when you finalize a play. And when I'm saying there's no more plays left on the stock market, there'll always be plays on the market. Will I be getting in them? Yes. Fuck yeah. I like it. But will I be holding long on these ones that aren't dividends? No. It's not worth it. That's just my opinion, okay? Okay. I sold my... Okay, we read that. Hey, not to change the subject, but I just wanted to let you know that there are some apps on you can download for free that will track dividends and calculate. Yeah, that's right, Jad. Yeah, there's a calculator. Yeah, I know that, my friend. Who sent that to me? A bunch of people sent a couple different ones. There is on the Android store. Good, we're back up into the... Hey, my friend, whoever said $39, you're gonna get it. You're probably gonna get it by the end of the day. Just so you're happy, right? Well, all of you guys, right? You like to see green. If $39 puts you in a good mood, I hope it goes to that. Okay, I just want you guys to be in a good mood and not less stressed, right? And I know that sounds kind of like condescending a bit, but I'm not saying it in a fucked up way. I'm trying to just go with the flow, you know. Trying to get your guys' mind off this waiting time and trying to make it fun as we go along, right? I got a few shares over there paid the 19 cents a month per in dividends. Be ghost. Ron Park, do own a lot of Sundial, but upside down, but will hold the same as AMC. Okay, my friend. Yeah. Okay, I store them, then we'll be able to figure out exactly what you will be required to invest in a certain company to receive the exact dividend pay that you want. Yeah, Jad, you know what you're doing. You're another one. I know a lot of you do, but I haven't talked to a lot of you, right? But Jad, you know what you're doing too, right? You are doing the right way of looking at a dividend, right? So just remember when it gets over 12%, that's too high. Okay, like if it's 15%, I will not invest in the company. I don't give a fuck if they're making rockets that go around. I don't know, whatever. They can go to the moon and back on a fucking tank of fuel, right? That runs off of like fucking air for fuel. I will not invest in that. Okay, they're setting themselves up. There's something going behind the picture. Nobody gives that kind of money away. Nobody on the planet. Just so you guys know that. Good morning, Pac. This old gray wolf just got up a little while ago. Chris, how you going? How you doing, brother? How you doing, my friend? Good to see you again, bro. Okay, 10%. Didn't even notice. I know, Joshua. I seen it at 8, and then I was like, holy fuck. Good for you guys, right? And when I say that, it's because I'm not in on it, right? And I don't take credit for stuff that I'm not in on, right? At all. Like, that's the worst thing you could do is lie about something like that. Like, fuck, that's a goof move as far as I'm concerned. I hate that word, but that's the pretty much the lowest thing you can do on that stock market channel. Sunday will blow up after AMC. Yes, it will. Yes, it will. I think it's going to go up as AMC is going, for sure. It is what it is. Sundial, if I don't even know if I'd buy it. That's just my opinion, right? I'm entitled to my own opinion on stuff. They are from my country. My wife does smoke the product. We just bought some the other night. They are buying up every other company. I'm not saying anything about the company in general. It's just that what was I going to say here? It is going to go up. It's going to go up, but it's not going to go. It's not going to go anywhere near AMC, right? It's going to be a good and you don't need it to make money on it. If it goes up to $1.50, to $2, you can make fucking killer money on that, man. You can make fucking 60, 70, 80 grand. Okay, you just gotta fucking play the market, right? I'll be dropping 100K on Sundell. See, Warren? Stop doing that, Warren. Every time I say something, a couple seconds later, you pop it up. That's what I'm talking about. I did that with the COVID pill. Not 100 grand, but yeah. So, but if I was to buy into those stocks, they're synthetics, okay? I would only swing trade. I'd only liquidate the shit out of them, okay? I wouldn't hold long on that. That's just me. It doesn't mean anything to me, right? That stock doesn't mean anything to me. I'm only in it for money. Yes, they have good product, but they have synthetics, right? Like it doesn't pay a dividend royalty. There's no bonus, right? The stock goes up, you make money. Goes down, you lose money, right? It's just there's no. It doesn't turn me on. Like there's no play to it, right? So what I will do is I'm going to put money on it for sure a little bit, if you guys all are, because I will then donate to the cause. When I make my play, I'll be cashing out, right? So that's just strictly what I like to do, and that's just for me. That is strictly just for me. That's my play, and it is what it is, right? That's my thoughts. See, BlackBerry is different, but a lot of people might swing trade that, which they do. There's lots, right? That's something I would not. I would, of course, I doubled down. I did own BlackBerry, and I owned the real shares, and I liquidated it. Okay, I sold about $5,000 worth of it, and I had the real shares too on the last push, probably about 6 months ago now. And do I regret it? A little bit. Would I do it again? Fuck yeah, right? It's all about making money. Is it gonna short squeeze? It's gonna go up lots. It's not gonna go do anything like AMC. Okay, I know that. There's too many synthetics. Again, it's the fucking synthetics that screw all these stocks up. So, yeah. So in the future, you're going to see these rips of 200, 300, 400%, maybe 1,000%, and that's it. Because they're changing all the laws, okay? But that's enough. That's enough. Not as enough, but you can make good money on that, guys. Okay? It's if you're making 10 to 20% on your money, you can become a multi-millionaire off that, okay? It just takes a little bit of time, okay? It's reaping the rewards of fucking money. You're just ripping the money off the top of it, right? Once you get the system down, it's just like going to a job. It's just like clockwork. Boom, 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 boom. Okay? It is what it is, right? Is it stressful? Yeah. But it is what it is. It's an easy job, right? You're not going out there and getting yourself all dirty. You're working out of your house. You can make coffee. You can do whatever you want. Easy job, right? You guys make it what it is, right? So yeah, well, we're having a good talk today. I don't mind doing this on these days, right? Just getting out there, and I know I have a different opinion on things that I know everybody doesn't agree with, and I like how respectable you are on that stuff because I am older than some of you guys, and some of you guys are older than me. I just wanted to say thanks for being very respectful towards me. I know some of the stuff we don't agree on. Like I just said, I just reiterated that. Yeah, it's just if you look outside the box on some of my stuff, it doesn't make sense when you look at it. It's like, holy fuck, how did he come up with this answer right here? But once you know once you have the tools, it makes sense, and then 10 times the sense, if you know what I mean. Everything's well planned out. Just give me a second here. Second. Hello. Hi. You're not Cameroon, but don't tell me you got some money in my stock account and you're gonna give me money and all this. Don't tell me it's that. Hello? Okay, because it's a fraud thing you guys are doing, man. It is. Don't lie, man. I'm on my YouTube channel live with thousands of members right now. So these guys are from Ontario. This is the fraud ring thing that they call it the stocks. He says I have all these money sitting here. Okay, if I have all this money here, then why don't you just deposit through my PayPal account then? Okay? Yeah, send it to my PayPal account right now. I got a live channel on here. I'll give you guys all, we'll split it all. How many people? We got 42 viewers on right now. I'll give you guys all of it. Okay? the YouTube channel I'm on right now is... Will you call me a liar? It's called CS Trades 101, and go log on it right now. Wow. Okay. I should know. Yeah, he fucking hangs up. You're a goof. See? There's how you get back somebody. There you guys go. That's how you get a guy back on fraud. That's a fraud ring, guys. Here, I gotta block the number. I was recording his call. But yeah. So guys, I wanted to do that live with you guys. When I found out what it was, I brought it back. There's a lot of this. There's a lot of this stuff going around with the stock market. Okay, these people are saying that you have money. These guys call. They have a computer software, and it'll keep on calling you from different numbers. It'll do it for like years. Okay, so what has happened is they somehow got a hold of my number. It was sold or something. I don't know how. So anyways, they call and they say that, hey, you deposited money into Coinbase or a company like that. We just want to give you back your money, right? So once, and oh shit, yeah, man. But I know I didn't deposit money into that, right? Or what they're saying is, that's why I said, let me guess, you're not a stock market company that I overpaid or something, and you're trying to give me money back, right? Well, what do you want me to tell you? Right? So I know it's bullshit right there. And then, so yeah, I just wanted to give you guys, that's why I did the call live. I wanted to show you guys, it's the people are actually doing this, and it's mostly elderly people that they're taking advantage of, because they can't remember if they did put money into the stock, especially if you're in the stock market. That's their thing, because they know you are. So nobody's going to give you anything for free. Everybody should know that. That's why I said I was going to give all you guys it for free. That messed him up on the phone. He just hung up. He couldn't handle it. His brain just exploded. So I just wanted to show you guys live that that's how you deal with a fraud call. Okay. He couldn't even spell my name right. Cameroon. Okay. Like, you know what I mean? Like, go do your education first, buddy. So I just wanted to show that live, is that there's a lot of that going on, and if I can help one person to get away from that shit, it is what they'll keep on calling you and calling you. If you freak out on them and yell at them, you're just stressing yourself out, because they have a program that'll just keep on calling and calling you. Okay, there's nothing you can do about it. You can keep on blocking the numbers. They'll keep on calling you. Okay, so what you do is just mess with them. Just start having fun with them, right? Excuse me, Shamron. I like your emoji, man. Okay, what were we talking about? And then he goes to me. He goes, "Oh, I'm a YouTube channel." What? You can't even remember your YouTube channel? You're talk about fraud. You don't even have a YouTube channel. The guy says to me, right? Wow. Okay, you mean I've been forwarding messages 24 for nothing? Damn, I thought this was my blessing. Right on. But yeah, I'm very oh, I'm looking for my vape. That's how messed it up. And I'm not even smoking it, and I'm looking for my vape. That's crazy. I caught the first time I caught myself. Oh, hey, I gotta throw you guys some. And I'll support your guys' sundial for the day. Go make some money off that shit. Go make some money off sundial. Go make some money, man. Oh shit. Sorry for doing. Here you guys go. How many people we got on here? Well, here, I'll give you guys a whack of it. I'll give you like an... There you go. My nose is itchy from those dogs again. Oh. There you guys go. We got all your guys' remotes charged up here. The Android box here. Look at that. I like this color, blue. That's cool. Finally got them all charged up. Okay, I gotta go. What time is it? Oh, we'll talk for. I usually stay until 9. If I don't recognize the number, I don't. They sell your number as a pickup. They do that. Ed, it's already out there. My number. And this is a new number too. I just switched it. The other number I had for 10 years, and I had to switch it. It wasn't the calls from these guys, because I love messing with them, right? If I have time, I just love screwing with them, right? Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, the main important thing, okay, is if you have a computer at home and you just say, oh, they have returning money to you. That's why I was messing with him with PayPal, right? Because I know he can't do that. He wanted my PayPal because he can get in there and screw with it, right? And the thing is what you do is they give you the money, right? And you're going to see it go in your account. If you hit accept, what you just did was let them connect to your computer, remote access. Now you're fucked. You are so screwed. You can shut the computer off, everything, and turn it back on. They control your computer now. You're going to see the mouse going around, the cursor going around the screen, clicking things, looking for your bank account information. And they're going to be draining your accounts. Okay? I'm just giving you heads up on that. Or they're going to be installing malware on your computer. So that's what they were up to. They want my computer, right? That's why with the YouTube thing, he'll try coming and hacking my YouTube channel, right? Because it's personal now, because I was screwing with them. But he can't get through my firewall. I got a VPN, right? I got multiple VPNs. Like, I'm the Android king. You think you can get through my software? Pff, yeah, right. I was locked out of being able to trade on the users. But yeah, guys, that's true though about that money deposit thing. As soon as you authorize it and they send it and you click on that link, you just fucked yourself, okay? You'll never get your computer back. It's done. You might as well just grab the computer and throw it in the garbage, okay? Because you can't even reset it. Because he controls everything. All your fingerprint scanners, all your retina scanners. He can just log his own information. Then he steals, I know this for a fact, he steals your retina codes, your encrypted retina codes that are stored on your computer for the face recognition and all the key features to your face, the pinpoints. He now owns that, okay? Now you got a problem. Now you're screwed, okay? Yeah, it gets crazy. And there's some other things I'm not going to talk about because it'll trip you guys out too much. And this is enough. I've already told you. There's some crazy stuff you can start doing with your medical records and stuff. But it is what it is. Just be careful, guys. I just want you to be very educated on that stuff. Have a VPN. Seriously, get a friggin' VPN. Okay? And if you want a good one that's cheap, it's only like, I think, $2 a month is Pure VPN. And I gave you guys a link to it. You can even get it cheaper, I think. Just hang on. Yeah, there's a way you can get it through my discount here. And it's awesome. You can put it on like 10 different devices. I don't know, they sent me something here, my account. But I thought there was a way that oh, fuck off. Come on, go up to $39. You guys want that, so I'm trying to give it to you. Anyways, I don't know where the link is to... That's weird. They usually have... products. Right here we go. VPN ad guard. Oh no, I don't want ad guard. That's why it's not working. Pure VPN. That's it. And there should be a code to get you guys like 80% off. That's not it. Yeah, that's weird. They used to have that. What the hell? Roll refer a friend right here. Okay, guys, I got the link right here. I got the link right here. I'll send it to you guys. Just get back on here again. Oh, my eyes are burning. Damn. What the hell's going on my channel? There we go. What the fuck? Okay. What the heck's going on here? Okay. Content. I gotta go back and find you. Gotta go find you guys. Oh yeah, this might do a echoing thing again. Oh, we got some hatred today. We got some hatred, guys. There you go, brother. There you go. Okay. We got hatred here. And that's just pure from YouTube because we're not on Reddit anymore, guys. So somebody's purposely coming on here and hitting us, which is hilarious. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't do nothing. And I just find that hilarious because I purposely I know how it's happening. I just like messing around, right, with shit. So I figured it out. That's awesome that they did that because now I know something. I just like, see, I'm so bored at this YouTube thing, like not with you guys, but I make little games up and I try to just figure out software issues and just how to make things work. And so what the frick was I doing right now? Oh, I know what I was doing. I'm trying to get to this damn thing. There we go. And I'm trying to do something right now, exactly the same thing. Oh, it's only one hit down. Okay. I don't care. It doesn't bother me anyways. But I'm trying to do something right now. I do appreciate it. Oh, is it echoing? Oh, it's only one hit down. Damn it. Sorry, guys. Fucking thing. Fucking bullshit. Bullshit. It will start echoing. Sorry, guys. Okay. Cam, can you look up and test like, I can do that for you. Just give me a second here. I gotta finish what I was doing. Fucker. Here we go. Okay, I forgot to send you your doobies. There they go. Late delivery. They're coming from Canada. So here's the link, guys. Here's the link to... Oh, damn. Here's the link to Pure VPN. It's a huge discount. Okay, guys? If you're using your... And this works on a computer. This works on your smartphone, Apple, anything. Your computer. Buy it. Okay? I am giving you advice. Usually I can't give you advice on stuff. This is entertainment purposes only. But no, this is with the VPN. You should have this. At this day and age, you should have this. Okay? It's one of the better VPNs out there, and it's fucking cheap. You don't need to pay $20, $30 a month for it. Okay? Those prices are stupid. Okay? This, I've looked into it. This does everything you need to. It has it unlocks geolock, which is stops you from like China's under a huge geolock. The UK is under a huge geolock. What a geolock is and I know about all this stuff is because I do it with my Android boxes. I'm a master at this shit, as you guys know that have my boxes. Those things are not made to work. Okay, they're in different countries. They're not. They're designed not to. So, by me, yeah, I know, Echo, I told you guys that was coming. By me doing this, I've made the software up, okay? I know what works and what doesn't. So, I got the best of the best. You cannot hack this shit, okay? It's impossible. Impossible, okay? So, here it is right here. You don't need to pay a fucking fortune for this shit, okay? And what you should do is you should have it. But if you're trying to, I want to give you guys some information here. If you're going to use this VPN or any other VPN and you try logging onto your bank, it might say it doesn't exist. You got to take the VPN off for some certain things, for where it needs a geo connection, or anything like a thumbprint or anything like, because it has to do a check, a bio check on you, okay? So a lot of people don't know that, and then they go, fuck, whoa, I ruined my phone, but... there's some things you can't use it for, okay? So yeah, that did work. That did. You get a free 30-day trial, but then how much is it? There's different packages. And there's 24-hour customer support. It's really good. I've had this for, I think I bought 5 years. I think I bought it was $80 for 5 years or something like that. It was crazy. I think the prices are even one-click software. I don't even know the prices. Oh yeah, it secures your router. You can hook it up on your router, your Wi-Fi, does your phone, it does your computer. You can use it in any freaking country. It has an internet kill switch. So if your internet is getting shuts down, it shuts it off. It has a throttling speed, IPS throttling speed. So what your service provider, they all do it. It's illegal as hell. It's fraud, right? Is they choke your internet speed back. Okay? For whatever you don't use, they give it to your neighbor. And if your neighbor's not using it, it gets passed down the line. It's called internet choking. Okay? It's so illegal. But it's hard to prove. So if you're paying for internet $150, you should have that all the time. Okay? That's not the way it works. That's why when you log onto a computer, you'll have like, if you pay for internet 150, it'll start at 20 megabytes. It'll go to 70, within 3-4 seconds is up 150. It should be at 150 instantly. Okay, that's called throttle choking. It's IPS speed throttling, okay? I'm just giving you guys a rundown. There's no caps on bandwidth. It's unlimited with this, okay? A lot of VPNs aren't. There you guys go. IP ad leak protection. So I just want to give you guys a rundown. I'm not going to get any more of the technical shit with the encryption, all that. I just want you guys to be protected, okay? Because I know you guys got a lot of, if you guys are trading this kind of money, especially after the squeeze, you're going to be putting all these digits through your account. People are going to be looking for this shit, okay? Your money and stuff. I'm just telling you guys right now, they are. They're going to be looking on the channels to see who has in the plays and stuff. That's what these people do. They're trolls, right? And they can find it, right? It's easy to find somebody. Trust me, it is easy. So anyways, I'll stop talking. No, I'm not, Manjeet. I'm talking about something. Sorry, I'm in the middle of something here. I will in a second. So yeah, I just wanted to talk to you about that. I will in 1 second. There, go. I'm in the middle of something. So I just wanted you to do that, and I guess it's 239.3. Okay. Tesla. What was it up earlier? Was it at 2 or 800? I have to type it down. I thought I had it saved. There it is right there. I thought it was at... What was it at earlier, Manjeet? KJ, especially with all the pending infrastructure. EV call? I don't know yet. On that one, it's kind of, I was in the... BlackBerry's into it a little bit, but I don't know. It's just, I think we got to wait another 3-4 years for some good shit to come out. Because all the stuff that I like a new Dodge Ram truck, I want it to have like 2,000 kilometers per charge. To have dual motors, like, it's just not, hasn't been out long enough yet. And Tesla's all right. It's too expensive. So I'm talking about the actual cars. They're not worth what they charge for them. They're not. They're not. I've looked at them before. They're not worth it. But Tesla is like the first that ever made it big. You guys you know what I mean? There's other companies that are piggybacking it, that are fixing all the screw ups that Tesla made along the way, which is normal for a company that just pushes through the cornfield and makes a path behind them with other people following. Of course they're going to fix it, but they're the first ones to do it. There's always failure with the first ones. Look at the rockets that he sent up to space. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that he could make the cars cheaper, right? That's all I'm saying, right? To give everybody a chance. But he's starting actually to do that now, but he should have done that years ago. Tesla is a 783.52, 1.27 in the red. So what were we at before? We were at 196? I can't believe they don't pay a dividend yet, guys. Oh, I need a smoke. Of Lucid. Excuse me. The great. Same with me, my friend. Yeah, same with me. I guess 90 is slipping through out of our hands. Yeah. Oh, I was looking at AMC. So yeah, on this one, what are we? We're still early, 9 o'clock. Pretty much 9 o'clock. Just looking at some stuff here. Make sure. So what did you want? What did you want? What number? What number? Is it still echo? Is it echo? No, it can't be echoing on you guys. I just want to make sure that I answer your question, Manjeet. Because I was in the middle of something here, so I've got to make sure I answer it correctly for you. Okay. That was something else. I can't find a call to talk to anybody. Cam, can you take a look at Tesla for me? And what you think? Can it go lower today? Yeah, for sure it can. Anything's possible, but volume. See, I don't really know what Tesla trades at, right? It is Friday. Fridays are usually a bad day to trade on. Usually, okay. People like to exit their positions before a new start of the week, right? This is different. It's Tesla, right? So the volume today, that's pretty big. Yeah, but the price is high though. So like 1% is a big drop in the price. I just want to have a look here, actually. Now that I'm here, let's see, have a look. No, this is what this stock does all the time. It's stuck in a channel. So that's that channel. We hit the channel today through pre-market. We cracked off all those numbers. So it looks like it finds different levels to go in. So this week, it's going between 797, right, Manjeet, and everybody else. So what it is that's the high, okay? That's high as it's going to go, probably for the next couple days, maybe through next week, and then it's going to find a new low or a new high. It doesn't get too crazy because this stock, is a managed event. Okay, this is a perfect example of a managed event. Okay, this thing was shorted to shit. Okay, the shorts did cover, and some haven't. They put new positions in. Okay, this was managed. Okay, to go to this price. Is this stock worth this? No, we all know that, right? It's not worth this. There's other stocks out there that are way better, that are like $80 and stuff. So this, will it hold this numbers? It's because of the reputation, right? Straight up. Will it go back down to 5, 4, 5, 600? Yeah, for sure it will. It'll go in series. It'll go in different series. Depends on the economy. Depends on what comes out, the news. This stock is news driven. Okay, like I said, it was the very first electric car company that could drive that far. That was light. It was very light. That had power. I've seen it pull semi-trucks before. I've seen these cars pull. It has the state-of-the-art electric motors before any other cars. So what it is, it's paving the road for these other vehicles, right? So yeah, that's what I wanted to say. So this thing was shorted to shit by hedge funds, like fucking bad, like just as bad as AMC. But it was managed. This thing should have gone higher. Okay, it should have gone up into probably a couple grand, but it was managed. Okay, they didn't want this to do this. They wanted to slowly go, because what they were doing is, notice how it's stuck in channels. This thing is shorted to shit, like synthetic wise. They short ladder attack. Sorry, correction. They short tack this stock. I know this for a fact because there was a documentary on this stock. I watched it. It goes in channels. Okay, so see, this week it's in a channel from the 27th to the to the 8th now, it rides in these levels, okay? So a trader can reap some good money off this, okay? It's stuck in a big, wide range, okay, where you can make, if you have, say, 30, 40 grand invested in this, and you exit your position, you do this a couple times a week, you can make some friggin' good money. It's managed, okay? So if it's stuck at $800, okay, that's the high roughly. It went up to 806. Let's just say 800, or actually no, that's not fair. It's cracked off this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times on the high at 797. Okay, so we'll say 798. That's our number. Okay. This is really easy to predict this stock like this, okay? And it's easy to make money on. And if you go the other way, you don't lose your shirt, okay? Unless it collapses, but we're not looking at that. Okay, so the low will be generous right here. This is the one that keeps on touching off of, is 766. Okay, so he's 66, 67, 68. Okay, so 60, 70, 80. $20 difference. Is that a lot? No. In a large amount of money, is that a lot? Yeah, right? So that's that 5 to 10% I was talking about that you can make a fortune on if you do it correctly. Okay, that's what these guys do with this stock. I like that. That's that documentary. I can't. What the fuck was it called? It was very educational. So look at this. I'm just going to show you guys this. Okay, that was that 1 week, or the whatever it was, from the 27th to the 7th. Okay, 20, yeah, around there. Okay, look at this. See, I know I'm right on this. Okay, so look at this from the 7th to the 27th now, or yeah, look at this. Look at the channel. It's in a different channel. Once it finds that groove, okay, and then look at this one. This is for like another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, another week. Look at that. It's 725, 741. That's $20 again. Okay. It constantly hits that up, bang, and then it goes down, and then it hits the bottom, bang, and then it goes up. It's like Pong. You know that Pong game. So it's managed. It's all managed. Okay. So they're all like that. Look at these. Look at this. Look at the levels. They're all, oh, they gotta blow back up. See, look at that. Same thing. Try to find another stock like that on the market. You won't. You might find 2 or 3 segments like that, but you won't find continuous back like that. Okay. So this one, look at, there's another one right there. There's a 1, 2, 3. There's a whole week. Pretty much the same numbers. Pretty much the same numbers, except right here. But see how they attack the shit out of this thing? It can throw red candles like a motherfucker. Pardon my language, but it can. That's the scary thing about this, right? They can put it wherever they want because they have control over this. There you go. There's another channel. I'm not going to do any more. This is my example. Here's another week right here, right? Right here, right there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days right there. Blow that up. That's easier to see. There you go. See? So, and then there it is again. Except on the days it gets attacked. But look at all this red. Like, yeah, it's just, they do what they want with this, okay? And Manjeet's question, I didn't forget. At the end of the day, do I think this will go back? No, I don't. I don't at all. It's down $9, which is the price because it's so expensive. Let's get you back up here. But you know, like, nobody in the world can predict this. You know that, right? This is, I don't even like doing this, but fuck, there's a lot of red in this. It's scary. Scary, scary, scary. So I'm just going to see what it's doing for the whole day. So 8 something. It's been stuck in that channel again. Okay, it opened up right around here. 780. So it's at its low or mid right now. It's going to go low, so it's going to set a new standard. Yeah, I don't think I think it'll go up to $90, the highest it would go to. Manji, and that's like 0.5%. That's like 0.5%. right? Because you're looking at a big number, so it can move a lot, the number, right? So yeah, I think you're stuck in this for the day, pretty much, right? I don't think I can't see it going in the green. I could be wrong though. Who knows in power hour though? It's not getting that much volume today. It gets 9 million, but it's Tesla, right? So I don't know. I'm not in on this stock. I've only jumped in it since you started talking about it, Manjeet. I did a little bit of homework on it because you wanted me to buy in on it. And I've always thought about it. The price is high. That doesn't really mean anything to me. It's the more the credentials and what it could do. I definitely want to keep my eye on it a little bit longer. And I would love for them to have some dividend return. If they had dividends in there, it would get rid of all of the synthetic shares on here. Oh, shit. My thing wasn't keeping up to the answers. So, what about crypto? Sorry, guys. I didn't even see all the questions. Okay. Okay. Hell yeah. What about crypto to getting into the day? Yeah, Ramen, I'll get into that there. I just had to get that one. I'll work my way in order here. Maybe that's does not respect this SEC. He doesn't. And he yeah. I know some inside stuff on that. Yeah, he's not as everybody thinks he is, right? He's yeah, there's how low can it go today? I think you're gonna I think it's gonna go to 2% around there. Maybe a little bit less. I don't know because the volume can change, right? And yeah, it's controlled so much. You can just see it. But yeah, as you know, if you're on long on this, the price doesn't mean anything. You know that, right? If you're in long, there goes. It's almost down to $1.50. There you go. Then it'll go back, right? See that they can control this stock. That's why I wouldn't buy it, right? Because I don't like that, right? Whatever they want to put it at, they put it at. They've been doing it for like that for a year. That documentary explains everything on it. It's so well controlled. It's one of the most controlled stocks on the market. Okay, you can make money on it though, but I don't think I would buy it. Right? I'm gonna watch it longer before I make a final decision on that. But like what I've seen so far, it doesn't really. I don't know. It doesn't really. It's kind of stuck in these numbers, right, for like a year. Or actually, no, 900's the highest it's gone. Is that the highest in 1 year or the highest in history? I want to check something out here, actually. I'm curious. I just want to check something out before. So 900 from 379. I remember when it collapsed. See, that's when it's, because it's pumped, right? Oh yeah, there it is, right there. There it is, $3. Yeah, that makes sense. Every stock starts out low. There it goes. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's managed. Straight up, man. Straight up managed. Like, look at that. Look at that. It's managed because look at when it collapses. They can control it. They put it down and then it goes up. Then they put it back down. But it is what it is. It is what it is. There's a big W there. It is one of its kind. Okay, and like I said, it's paved the road, but it's making the road behind. There's other competitors coming up that will just pass them. Okay, I'm just telling you that right now. Other companies will pass Tesla. I don't know about in technology because in different areas. Okay, Tesla's having a problem with batteries. I know that they're having problems with a lot of things. They need more. That the reason why I wouldn't buy an electric vehicle right now is because of the charging shit of it, okay? At least 2,000 kilometers per charge. I'm not interested, okay? It needs to charge in 2 hours. Not interested, okay? An hour would be better. It should be able to charge within an hour, okay? Fast charge, boom, done, okay? Manjeet, I don't. That's only down another two. Well, at 1% is $10 or 1% is like $9, right? I think I can go down there. So 760 would be another 10%. No, I don't think I'll go that low today. I don't think so, Manjeet. I don't. I can't see it going down 20% today or $20 today. So that would be 2%. Let's hang on a second here. Actually, what do I got it on here? Fucking my head up here. I'm screwing my own head up here. So it's on a down pull right now. I think it's going to stop though and it's going to go back up again. It's doing its adjustment for the week, and then the next week it will just stay in that managed channel, right? I've noticed that with this stock. It's finding its new low, and then it'll keep on just clicking back and forth. So yeah, this is its new low for the week, and then it'll pick it up. But see, look at how much. I don't know, Manjeet. I think it's going to stay around this range. I think it's going to, the max it's going to stay between 2% and 0.5. Does that help you at all? I don't know what that'll be in dollar range. It's easier for me to do the percent, right? But I think that we're going to, yeah, there you go. There you got your upswing on the candle again. And you know that this is just speculation at all. I'm just strictly looking at what it's done in the past and everything. So take it with a grain of salt. It's not financial advice. It is friggin' entertainment. Aren't you having fun? No. They are having earnings call. Well, that can be a contributing factor on the stock for next week for sure. Okay, what about crypto to get in today? Ramron, are you on here still? Crypto? Not for me. The prices have gone back up again. I respect my money too much. This me, right? Hey brother, good, you're on here. So crypto right now, let's have a look right here. So Cardano, rule of thumb with Cardano, this is what I was told by Tim. Anything under $2 is a steal, okay? It doesn't go to $2 that often, okay? Or 180. 180, 150 is a friggin' steal. If you can get it at 150, buy as much as you can. Okay, this is what Tim told me. It goes to $2. That's usually $2 and go back up. And it just does that. There you go, Manjeet. Look at it go now. See? That's why I didn't think it would go that low. I think you're going to get into 0.5%. The number I don't know, but I'm talking the percentage. I think it's going to go to 0.5 and then it's going to go back down. And it's just going to stuck in that channel. So what I'll do is get on this one. I would, like I said, to watch crypto right now because it's going to have a back pull. It's going to have a back pull on this, okay? Cam, when do you prefer to buy? Power or in the morning? I like to buy, my favorite time to buy, Manjeet, is that, and that's a very good question. I've tested lots of theories out. Definitely not after hours, okay? Unless it's crypto, okay? Because you can get it right on the, it's executed with whatever the number says. It runs 24 hours a day. On a crypto broker though, okay? And what else? Cam, do you prefer to buy in power? I prefer not to buy in power hour. I prefer to buy between about 8 o'clock till 10:30, and that's it. That's my frame. So that's why I will always be watching the market. Like right now, I would have had my choice of what I was doing, okay? That's why I don't watch the market for the first hour. I'm not even interested. I'll just read it and then we'd start doing something else for the first half an hour, because it means nothing, because the platforms and shit that's not a true rating. They're just all over the place, right? That's awesome, Angel. That is awesome. I can't tell you what to do. You're up almost double your money? Did you sell out, or is it still in your account? Is it the stock market's money, or is it actual your money? Okay, I have a question for you. So Manjeet, yeah, that's what my story. I'm sticking to it. Everybody has their own system. Have I bought in power? Yes. Power hour. Yeah, I don't like to really. I tried to trade. Okay. This will be like 600 when it. Yeah, that's right, Magic. Yes, you're getting it. Yes. Mm-hmm. And it will go back up to hit 900 again. I don't know. It's gonna, but it'll be caught in that channel. Like it'll crack off at 600. It'll go back up to 850. Then it'll just go like it has a big swing, right? But you can make some good money on that stuff, right? That's all you need. That stock, it's a hired stock, so it is what it is. If they came out with dividend royalties, even 50 cents, that would be fucking an awesome stock to own. Long, like 20, 30 years, okay? Right. It's just that it's too much red, right? It's mismanaged, right? It's crap. Not crap because it's just what they've done to the stock, right? You have to remember, Elton, he has a lot of enemies in the world, okay? A lot of people are jealous, half of it, and he has enemies, okay? A lot of people don't like him, okay? And they knew that with the credentials, and he was smart, they knew that stock was going to go up high, so they shorted the shit. He hates hedge funds, hates them, okay? They've almost bankrupted his company a couple times, right? Okay, so I got two positions. Okay, one of people, okay, is long, maybe 3 or 4 years. Okay, good. So I sold off to recover my investment. Okay. Okay. So you're out. That is actual money you made. Okay, you exited your position. Okay, good. There's a reason why. Okay. If you made that much money right now, like whatever you guys have done, like whatever, like you asked me a question, would I buy crypto right now? No. There's not enough money to be made, because watch in the next 2 weeks, watch what's going to happen. I'm not going to say anymore. Just watch. Okay. Just watch. Because I would have to liquidate other stocks to put in enough money to make it worth my while. 27 cents it's not that much money, okay? And that's good for right now, right? So these other ones, Shiba, oh yeah, that's different. That's up 22%. I'm just talking off the average. Where they fucking all went? Yeah, there. So you look at what was this at 18 cents the other day? I'm just trying to think, and then it's up 24 cents now. Will Dogecoin go to $1? No, it won't. No, I won't lie to you guys. Okay, I'm not gonna feed you a bunch of bullshit. It's not connected to a blockchain. Okay, for one thing. And on Webull, I sold my Angel. I'm not telling you what to do, but you know what to do on that position. Okay. If you made that much money, you know what to do. I can't legally even talk about it, but you know what you're doing with the crypto and shit like that. You know what's coming up in the next couple days, right? A correction. Okay, so if you did good on that, yeah, you can always double down again, right? That's the good thing about crypto. It runs all the time. But I'm not telling you what to do. If it was me, that's what I would do. Just made 10 times. Yeah, native gamer. It once you get going, it's good, but you got to have 25 grand in your account. Okay, I'm just telling you that. You can buy, sell, and buy, but you can't sell the third time on the market. Okay, it won't let you. You'll get called. Okay, so what it is you need to have $25,000 in your account. Okay, it's just the rules. They just put those rules in a couple of years ago, or not even that long ago, and it's set up to screw the retail investor. You could listen to this. Why is it not 2 times? It'd be better if you only could do it twice a week instead of 3, because you get stuck holding the bag, okay, over the weekend. Okay, so you can buy it, you can sell it. Awesome. But you can buy it again, but you can't sell it. A lot can happen over the weekend, and the majority of the time is the stock collapses. Okay, so like I said, the market is rigged. Okay, on that. So yeah, that's just my opinion, Angel, on that. I'm just giving you. I know you think a lot like me in a lot of ways. I know you probably already thought about that. And guys, I'm just trying to make conversation out here and throwing stuff. I haven't really dove into this stuff. I'm just going off of volume. Crypto is, I see a pattern. When I say Dogecoin, there will not go up to $1. Not in the next 6 months. There's no freaking way right now. Not with all these squeezes happening and stuff. Yeah, I just the financial backing of the coin is by a person's voice talking about once in a while it goes up. That's not a good sign. Okay, I'm just telling you that right now, because it should have more backing than that. Okay, I know AMC is accepting it, but that doesn't do anything. That doesn't really mean anything, right? I want to see some encryption blockchain shit where it's connected, like Cardano, right? Is like, that's hardcore, man. It's backing and how many it's connected to, like all this stuff. Yeah, I just hope it doesn't get caught up in that bullshit with Dogecoin, with the SEC. Okay, I hope it doesn't. That's all. Because I know a lot of you guys own money in that stuff, but I know a lot of you have exited your positions, right? Yeah, it is. But you can make a lot of money on it too, though. I'm not in little plays, right? There's nothing wrong with that. It just takes more money to do it, right? Could I see it going over 24 cents? Fuck yeah, right? I'm just saying $1. Like I'm just not going to throw something in front of you like a nice juice gold nugget that it'll just, if I know it's like, yeah, just I just, any plans on when you can get Tim on here again, Mr. L? He is working full time, like 4 jobs. I can talk to him again, but excuse me. He had fun last time. It would definitely be on audio because of his connection. Yeah, I probably should contact him again. We could maybe plan it for later next week, maybe. Yeah, I'll definitely call him again. I know because you guys have some questions and stuff like that. And everything he's just, yeah, because everything he said everything he said has now come back to true. And he predicted that like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago ahead, 4 weeks ago. He said it was going to do a correction and go back up a bit, but then he also said it's going to go really down the next time, right? Because it's running out of money. Okay, as you guys know, the CERB, all the COVID funds are drying up. EI's running out. They're pumping less money into the system. There's actually too much money in the system now, which is bad, right? You guys know that. yeah, there's just not. Yeah, it's just it's all the wrong things for crypto, right? They're delisting a bunch of coins, some shit coins and blood coins. That's not good for anything, right? It puts fear across the market. Buying into something that gets delisted, it's not good. You just lost your, well, you still own, but it's delisted off of the New York Stock Exchange. Well, I guess you could use another platform to get rid of it, but it just doesn't have the financial backing, which makes it worth less, right? Excuse me, my throat's starting to hurt again. It's 9 o'clock, guys. I'm gonna jump off here. Oh, I'm gonna read Manjeet's question here. Did I answer all your questions? And Native Gamer, just look into that with the margin account. With that 3 times, just don't get caught on the third day, like buying and not being able to sell. You might as well just buy, sell your 2 times and don't do the third. I would till the next week and then just buy, sell. Okay. I can't tell you what to do. Stevie G, what's up? How you doing, bro? Yeah, that's right, Jason. Yep. Yep. I got a really good friend that comes on here live. I don't know if you ever met him. His name's Tim. He has made hundreds of thousands of dollars and lost hundreds of thousands of dollars on crypto. Okay, he knows how to make it, right? But and he knows, he's tested the waters and he knows what not to do, and he's tested with huge amounts of money. Yeah, and he really educated me on stuff. Yeah, it's just and he's set in his ways to things that I wouldn't do. He does, and he stands by it. Like Coinbase, for instance, I just wouldn't deal with, just because of the past problems. They just got hammered again with hacking. But he says, who cares? It's all insured. Who cares? It doesn't mean anything. It doesn't do anything to us. So that's for everybody, because it actually, they're hacking Coinbase itself, right? But if you have the cold wallet and then you have your own crypto linked to the blockchain, they can't do anything to you, okay? So it is what it is. They're after Coinbase. And if they do a ransom attack, I think that's coming next. They're going to do a ransom on it, and that's going to really suck, because people are going to be locked out of their accounts and shit, right? And hopefully the coin doesn't do a fucking a dip, right? So that's up. I don't know. Who knows? But I'll get Tim back on here. He's very educated on it. He called Cardano. He said that, and he told me, he said, but I'm on AMC and I won't liquidate. I will not liquidate my stocks in AMC or any of my other positions, because I have a plan, right? Yes, I could make money on this. It's all good and everything, but my other plans are halfway through a plan. I don't exit a plan until the plan's done. But he said when it went to $2, and he said this is $2 is a buy on that stock. He said it's just going to go up. It'll bounce off of it and go back up, and it does that. Excuse me. That's Manji. There's nothing. That's good. You did good. You exited it. So guys, it's going to be doing its other cycle. So yeah, that's right. Yeah, you have to have 25. Or open an offshore account. Okay, really easy to do, and you can trade as many times as you want. It's just you pay a fee, a percentage on the money you make. On some of them, they're different. Okay. It's just that you guys know what to do. You crypto traders that have been doing it for a while. Yeah, you guys know what to do. Like if you're holding it long. But if you're new to this, make your money and get out, right? And just wait for the next play. It is what it is, right? Because when this shit goes down, as you guys know, it goes down 24 hours a day. It keeps on going. It don't stop, okay? And you can lose your shirt. It does somewhat recover back, at least 3/4 of what it was at the previous cycle. It's in the middle of getting near the end of a cycle now. And it just does that. It's done that ever since the beginning of time. It's just how crypto works, right? The more backing it has, the more connection to the blockchain it has. Instead of somebody voicing the fucking getting it to rise by a tweet, that's not good. That's not good. It'll go high, it'll go up. You can make a lot of money, but you got to put a big amount in there, okay? I like it to go up $1 or $2 or even higher than that off of just the basic credentials, what the crypto was made of. That is a solid crypto, okay? What happens when somebody doesn't voice about it or talk about it anymore, right? What if it's not connected to the blockchain, right? There's a whole bunch of contributing factors to something like that. You just got to do your research. And the overall is, how much money do you want to make? Can you do it, Ramarin? Can you do it? Ask me to Monday. I can't do it right now. I'm just jumping offline, my friend. I need to get into trading crypto too, but I think I'll wait to. Yeah, it's for those of us that don't have 25 in our brokers, and that changes the game for us during those squeeze. No, it doesn't. I don't know if you just heard me. I just like 4 minutes ago, about 3 to 4 minutes ago, offshore account, unlimited. It's just you're going to pay a percentage, right, on the money you make. You have to pay them, right? It's like a black market almost. Offshore account. It's like you're going over and above the laws here. You're going to the New York Stock Exchange, SEC. Fuck you. I'm going out of the country and start using your money. Make sure the company is reputable. Make sure they're recognized. There's a lot of fly-by-night companies. It's a broker, guys. Start off with a smaller account. I wouldn't go too crazy on the margin, okay? Because you can screw yourself, okay? Only spend what you can afford on that. So, proud, that's exactly what I'm talking about, my friend. That's what I said with the shitcoin and blood coins. There's a big thing happening. Don't get hold. That's what I'm talking about. Somebody tweeting about a stock or crypto, and it going up, and then all of a sudden somebody doesn't talk about it for 2 weeks and it crashes. It's not good. It's not good. And that's not. There's a whole handful of them. There's lots. There is probably about 200 or 300 coins that are not connected to the blockchain, that have no financial backing, that are selling openly all over the place. With just the cooler the name, the more money people put into it because they like the name. They don't even understand it. There's a lot of that going on right now. Okay, just be careful, guys, and we'll talk more about it. I like AMC, what it's doing right now. Where is it? AMC. And I got to jump offline here. I just heard the dogs get up. We're in the green, guys. Let's see what we got here. We're on the 1 minute. 38 today. 37. Right here, another green one. What's going on here? Ha! We've only overturned 4%. Holy shit. We got no volume. Wow. Wow. ADA. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Well, because of the government? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I still would buy it. But I wouldn't, even if the government here, it doesn't, that coin's recognized all over the place. It's like Bitcoin, right? And you can just use a broker, out of the country broker to use it, buy it. Look into the backing on that. It's connected to other coins. It's not just its own coin, just so you guys know. Just look into it. But like I said, overall, we should wait until the government makes their decision, especially if you're putting huge amounts in, right? Unless it's free money. But anyways, guys, I love you, Wolfpack. And we covered a lot of stuff today, a lot of different topics. yeah, and it was some good talks. You guys did answer some good questions on there, and we got some things covered. So Citizen mentioned a thing, and he did some research on we talked our live chat as we do. That was one of the topics he asked me about, the broker account. He's in a different country than I am. It did come back as that's what you need to do. So yeah, we are just planning this for the squeeze to be able to buy and sell. To buy and sell, it's going to be hard to make a lot of money when the fire sell. Okay, most of the stuff you're buying and holding, but broker account, open one up, right? Offshore broker account, why not, right? I just need a social insurance number and all, or whatever you guys call it. Your I think it's different down the States, right? Have a good day. Even when it rips, I'm selling. Right on. How long? Excuse me. How low you think Sunda will go to? How low? It's going up, isn't it? Sorry, buddy. And then I'm gonna get off the thing here. I gotta get off here. Sundial. It's is it going down? I thought it was going up. Oh shit. It opened at 73. Oh wow, it was up quite a bit. 74. It's back to where it was again, as it like a week ago. Low, high? I don't know. See, this thing's shorted to shit, too. It's a fucking... These assholes have shorted the crap out of this thing. Look at it. Like, look at all of it. Red. I don't know, brother. I can't say. I don't like the red on this stock, man. Like, they can hammer on this fucking thing whenever they want. Look at it all. It's bullshit. Like, there's no fucking... And it's like that every day, right? It'll go up a little cup and then it'll get hammered down. No, Citizen. Don't use Webull, my friend. Don't use Webull and Robinhood. Guys. So Warren, I don't know, my friend. If you're in on long with it, if you're on long, it doesn't really matter. But if you're exiting your position, I don't know, bro. I can't give you on that one. Because I don't know. It's, yeah. See, if I was exiting my position, I'd pull it now. But that's just me. I can't tell you what to do, because I exit my position if I'm swing trading, paper trading, handing it away. I'm out by 10:30. I'm done for the day, right? I'm early. I get in early. I want to get exit. So yeah, guys, with Robinhood and Webull, but that's just my opinion. Like Webull, I wouldn't have anything to do with it because it's not even our country. It's China's, right? It's very concerning to me. That's just my opinion. I'm very paranoid when it comes to that stuff. Yeah, those two I would stay away from with a friggin' 10-foot pole. That's just mine. I know some of you guys have positions in there, but you've had long enough to change those positions. I know 90% of you have. But yeah, guys, Splenda, I'm just out of here. I'm just signing off. I close right here. You can look at it. It's at $7.68, 3.82%. It's up the highest it's been in a while. But yeah, I gotta go. I can't jump. I've already been on for a rig. We've already been on. I don't even know how long. Won't even tell me. Piece of shit. Not you guys. I've been on since 6:20 to 6, 7, 8, 9, 3 hours. Okay. Yeah. You guys, love you lots. Have a good weekend. I think I wouldn't use them anyways, even if they were. I would look for something else. Just Google it. Ron Parks, take care. No smoking, stay. Oh, thanks, brothers. Okay. And Splendid. come hit us earlier, my friend. Yeah, sorry I couldn't answer your question, my friend, on that. I feel bad, but I got to get going, and you guys have a beautiful weekend. Have a good long weekend. Enjoy your long weekend. Go spend some time with your family. If you don't have family, go hang out with your app on your phone, your stock market app. No, but you guys have I'm just bugging you guys. You have a lot of time this weekend. Use Google. Google some offshore accounts. Okay? Pick 3. Oh, you've been there all morning? Oh, okay. So pick 3. Okay? And do some research. You have a lot of time before the squeeze. Okay? You have a little bit longer. Okay? Anyways, you guys have a good one. Over and out. Peace.